I'm back. We're back. We're live. We're doing it. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing? Who's popping? Who's locking? Who's dropping? Who's stopping? I'm trying to find the right music, man, to get this party going. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find it right now. I'm trying to find it. Oh, buddy. My thingy's not there. Where's my thingy? Right now, I am short. Look at this short that I took on Ethereum last night. I took this short on Ethereum last night here from the 3,143s. It went all the way down there, 2,900 overnight when I was sleeping, and then came all the way back up here this morning. So you gotta love that, don't you? Don't you just love it? I love it. I don't know about you guys, but we love it. We just love it. You gotta love it. You just gotta, you just gotta love it. You know what I mean? You gotta love it. Kind of just is what it is, ain't it? It is what it is, ain't it? It is what it is. All right, so we are getting started here. Oh, Lord. What do I do? What do I do? I'm looking at the NASDAQ. It looks like Ethereum and the NASDAQ right now are kind of like following each other. NASDAQ pulling back. Ethereum kind of pulling back. See what happens. Got my protein smoothie. Gonna get jacked. Jack to the tits. But I don't even know. The funny part is I don't even know how much I was up on this trade. If it would, so right now we're up 2,000 and we're like 60 points away. So if we would have been another 100 points lower, how much profit would that be? Anybody know? It'd be like $5,000 profit, right? Something like that. I don't know. I'm bad at math. Somebody help me with the math. Yeah, 5,000. How do payouts go for Warbucks? Very simple. You basically buy an account, either the eval or you buy the straight to funded, and then you trade. And basically, there's a 33% consistency rule, right? So that means, let's say you make $100 every day for, a 4-day period. That's $400 in profit. Well, then you submit a payout and you get paid whatever the profit split is on the account, you get paid. So it's basically like 4 days. You have like every 4 days, you can basically request a payout. There's no payout target. There's no payout goal. There's no buffer and all that stuff. So how many accounts are you trading? Just one. You can trade. You can have multiple accounts, but you can't copy trade. There was Warbucks, so it's an option. Looking at the NASDAQ. Got a short here, maybe. Let me see what we got. What do we got? What do we got? Just getting ready here. Getting ready here. Big shout out to Trade of 8, Trade of 8 Prop. This is the platform you see here. Whenever I'm trading futures, there's only one platform for me, and you guys already know. You already know it's Trade of 8, Trade of 8 Prop. Blah, 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 blah. All right, what do we got? NASDAQ. This is the 2-minute chart. Little push up there, 24,700. Pulling back right now. Getting ready for market open. We still got plenty of time. I kind of went early. I went live early. Just to kind of hang out and see what's up with you guys. Had a meeting this morning, actually with Trade Day. Yeah, Trade Day, actually. Looks like Trade Day is making some moves. Trade Day over there, they got some good deals going on. Everybody's got them deals. Yeah, look at this Trade Day deal right now going on over there. So some cool stuff going on in the space. Everybody's, you know, just out here, everyone just making a little bit of money, man. Just make a little bit of money. Just make a little bit of money. So, boom. Trying to see NASDAQ right now, just kind of going nowhere. I would say this is kind of like maybe looking like a bit of a bull flag type setup, but see what happens. We got that pivot point there, 24,644 pivot point, right? Y'all seeing that? Everybody seeing that? What up? What up? What up? What up? What do I think about Trade Day financials? I mean, I haven't seen their financials, so we'll see. We'll see. Smoothie King, the smoothies of the gods. Trade Day is solid. That's what I've heard. Actually, we've had Trade Day on Only Prop Firms for a while, actually, which is funny. I feel like they've made some changes. They've come out with some new stuff. This is the owners that I met with this morning, talking with these guys about what they're working on, what they got going on. You got the day one payouts up to 95% profit share, clear path to live funding. Right now, they're 30% off. Use that code PW, no activation fee. What I thought was really interesting about Trade Day compared to like Take Profit Trader. So Take Profit Trader, if you're trading with Take Profit Trader, very similar to Trade Day in the sense that you can see here on their website, they don't have intraday. They have intraday accounts that you can buy, but let's compare. Let's go 50K account, and you can look at the different prices. So we won't even look at that, you know, whatever that is, Trade Day X, whatever garbage platform that, I don't know what platform that is. We got to look at that NinjaTrader Tradeovate option. So basically, yeah, the intraday 50K account is $69. The static account is $105, and then end of day trailing is $115 right now. So I might buy a couple accounts, see if I can pass them today. Maybe. I mean, I don't even know if I have an account. Do I have an account with? I gotta figure out if I even have an account with. Well, choose it. I'm gonna go for the end of day. I like end of day. I'm gonna go. Let me just do the 50K account. 50K account. I'm gonna sign. I gotta figure out if I think I probably have an account. Let me text my person real quick. Yeah, the only thing that sucks about Take Profit Trader is the trailing drawdown. The trailing drawdown is the trailing drawdown's a little tricky because you go into the funded account, but there's no trailing drawdown in the evaluation, so it's kind of tricky. How do you set a stop loss and take profit trader on Tradeovate after a trade has been placed? Very, very easily. I'll show you right here. So let's say, okay, this is for demonstration purposes. Let's just try it. We're going to put a short right there, all right? We just put a short. I'm going to click right there. It says sell one or buy. I put my stop loss, right, on this short, and then I'm putting a buy limit order just by clicking down there. That's how I do it. So buy, click. Very simple trade right there on the chart. You might have to set it up in the settings. I think that's all you have to do, right? Yeah, should be good to go. That's the nice thing about Tradeovate Prop is how easy it is getting in and out and all that. Oh, gosh. Entertainment purposes trade. Come on, Mr. Entertainment purpose trade. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, make sure you always, I would say, the number one thing that you should always do after you're done trading, after every trade, listen, chat, do me one big favor. Never forget to do this. This is the secret that will blow, well, a lot of people blow up their account because they don't do this. But once this trade's over, I'll show you what I do after every trade closes. After every trade closes, make sure you hit that exit at market and cancel. That cancels any orders on the chart. That's going to cancel just anything that's open, anything hanging out. You want to make sure that you hit that. See how I just left? All right, so I just got filled on that short. $100 profit there live on YouTube. Thank you. I'm done trading for the day. I can walk away. I can walk away right now. I made $100 live on YouTube and you all saw it. I'm the best to ever do it. All right, best to ever do it. Best to ever do it. Ain't no better than that. Ain't nobody better than that. Best to ever do it. Oh yeah, by the way, do this, right? Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Check it. All right? What you want to do here, is very simple. Go right here, go like this, go like this. Press exit, market, and cancel. The great thing about it is you can press it as many times as you want and it don't matter, right? Just like, you know, whenever you're bored, just hit that exit, market, cancel. Be like, hey, I want to do something. Okay, exit, market, and cancel. Exit, market. Group copy ATM win. Ugh. Soon, hopefully, very soon. All right, come on. This is my short that I've got going right now on the Warbucks platform. We're up almost $1,000 on this trade. Well, 880. We had a little bit of drawdown, but we had a big. I'll put some orders out here. See if I can get lock in some profit on this fucker. We had a big move last night. I just was being, I guess, greedy. I don't know what I was doing there, but being a little greedy. Putting some orders out here to try to get some profit taken there. You want to make sure that if you're trading on Warbucks that you're using those take profit. You don't want to just like use the market order because you're going to get a terrible fill with the orders and all that. So PW, sounds like you have a lot of phantom orders. No, I don't think so. Is that what it sounds like? I don't think so. Okay. Whatever you say, buddy. Whatever you say, buddy. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Or come on, Ethereum. I will be honest, crypto trading is hard. It's hard to trade. It's slow moving, man. It's not, it's, you know, a lot of just kind of chop. A lot of choppity chop in there on the crypto. But when it does move, it does move. It just, you got to make sure you take profit. So, 31,120. I was short last night there. 31.40 on Ethereum. Did not take any profit because, well, you know, I'm retarded, clearly. But let's see if I can take some profit here now, just to lock some in. Patrick, I cannot access the website. Why can't you access the website? warbucksbtc.com. What do you mean you can't access it? It's live, man. warbucksbtc.com. No, like really, it's actually live. Like for real. I'm not even lying. Like I'm serious. Oh yeah, we got some fill, baby. We making some money. We're making some money. It's not loading? Really? Really? That is confusing. Am I in a trade? Right now, I am short on Ethereum. I've been short on Ethereum like all night long. We had a big move down. I missed about a 100-point move down. It came all the way back up. Right when I woke up this morning, I looked at my computer and I'm like, you motherfucker. It just couldn't go lower, could it? No. Couldn't. So, classic. Just classic. Absolutely classic sometimes. You gotta love it. You go to bed, you hope you're gonna wake up, be rich, but you wake up and you find out that you're not rich. And you're still the same exactly. You're just the same exactly thing. And you're like, are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Try to trade Polkadot. That's a mover. Maybe. You like the website design, Warbucks BTC? I like it too, because it's the whole idea was to kind of, I didn't want to make the website like really fancy looking. I wanted it to like kind of be like a more like an arcade vibe, you know, like Warbucks, BTC, crypto. Just kind of like it's more of, I feel like it's more of that vibe, right? Than like some like really fancy looking website. All right, we still got plenty of time here till a market open. 12 minutes till a market open. Just sitting back here right now. I am short on Ethereum, trading warbucksbtc.com. But right now, we got a little pushback up there on NASDAQ. NASDAQ pushed back up 24,753. We're going to have to see which way she's going to go. It's time to partay. Drink some Bacardi. AAA. How many people in the chat use Trade Day? Anybody using Trade Day? Who's got Trade Day? Who's using Trade Day already? Anybody? 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 Who's got Trade Day loaded up? What's your feelings about Trade Day? Neat website, nice interface, smooth trading experience. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Come on down. Hit me. Come on. Come on. I keep saying NASDAQ. Come on, Ethereum. Hit that. I got a buy order there at the 70s. I'm short from the 143s right now. We're up 70 points here on Ethereum. We're almost up almost $1,000 right now on this account. When does the market open? Market opens at 9:30 a.m. Basically every normal day it does. So putting out there. Forex Ike, living legend in the house. When you coming back to Florida, Ike? We could have a tournament. We could have a trading contest where every time you lose a trade, you have to smoke a joint. Right? And then whoever smokes the most joints wins. That could be a thing. Could be entertainment. Could be some good entertainment right there, Ike. Just have like 100 pre-rolls. And if you have a losing trade, you got to smoke a joint. Whoever smokes the most joints wins. Oh. It's funny because I feel like Ethereum and NASDAQ right now are kind of like cryptocurrencies kind of riding the wave here. Because if you look at that move, right? The move last night, you had the NASDAQ pull back, hit that low. It was like around like midnight. And then if you look here at Ethereum last night, it hit the low right there, right around midnight as well. So, yeah, looks like crypto is pretty dialed in with the NASDAQ right now. So, NASDAQ goes down, crypto goes down. NASDAQ goes up, crypto still goes down. So either way, everybody's going down, down, down. Everybody going down, down, down. Forex ISA is going to lose all day on purpose. Fuck. All right, maybe a new plan. I got a new plan. New plan, listen. Oh my God, it's going. I got a new plan maybe. Maybe the new plan is that every time you have a winning trade, you get a smoke a joint. Ooh. So that way it's like, you know, you get incentivized. You get a present. Every time you get a winning trade, you get one joint to smoke. That could be a thing. Maybe. MD Fault. I have done 2 trades on Warbucks, but it's not affecting my balance. I don't know how is that possible? How are you placing a trade but it's not affecting your balance? I don't know how that could be possible, to be honest. Yeah, are you trading like too small a size maybe? I don't know. You feel like crypto trading is like NASDAQ, or is it another world? I'd say it's maybe a little bit slower, a little bit more choppy. You know, because like there's days where, you know, like this day here, Ethereum dropped like 200 points. But then it's like it goes into a lot of this type of stuff. So I'd say crypto's maybe just a little bit more choppy. When it's moving, it can move. But if it ain't moving, it ain't gonna move. So why don't you trade gold? I don't know, man. Romania is not on Warbucks. I think it's because Romania is a high fraud area, is what I've heard. Nothing against Romania personally, but it's just what I heard. I got a buy order from this short. One more. I got a bunch of these still short from the top there, but trying to get filled down there right now. The instant funding is a live account. It's sim funded. It's a sim funded account, but it's instant. Yes, you are instantly funded with a sim funded account. You can sign up at Warbucks BTC right now. The cheapest account that we got is there it is. I mean, it's funny because right now I think we got to change these prices because the prices are too close together. The one step is $40. The instant funded is $45. So yeah, I think that's gonna have to change. I think someone had a problem with the pricing. But the instant funded 5K account is $45. The 25K instant funded account is $225. The 50K is $450. So very, very cost effective compared to some of the other accounts and all that stuff out there right now. Come on. All right, so I am short here on Ethereum for now. And wait to see if it's possible we put in that lower high there. So I'm thinking if the NASDAQ dumps here, crypto should follow. We got the NVIDIA earnings today. The story of the day is that, the AI bubble talk has been kind of the hot topic lately. AI bubble. Is it real? Is the AI bubble? Is it in the room with us? But crypto crashing, equity losing streaks. But the best pulse check would likely come from today's closing bell as the AI stalwart NVIDIA reports earnings. So NVIDIA reporting earnings after hours. Get fired up. It's happening. NVIDIA. NVIDIA. What do you guys think? Up or down on NVIDIA today? Well, after hours. Treat today like an FOMC day because of NVIDIA and sit on your hands. Possibly. 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 All right. I am short here on Ethereum for now. Been short all night long, basically, since yesterday. We had a big move down there below 3,000. Seeing if we can't get that break. Kind of looking like a break this low. Whee! Head on downtown. And maybe after NVIDIA. Honestly, NVIDIA earnings after hours could, if the earnings are bad. See, the problem is the earnings won't probably be bad. It's going to be all about the forward guidance, right? Whatever the forward guidance is saying is going to be kind of the focus. So we're going to see. We're going to find out either way. You got NVIDIA earnings after hours. Right now, NASDAQ pivot point pretty much inside yesterday's 15-minute range for now. Right, 15-minute range. So possibly more big sell-off coming to NVIDIA, so it's going to pull back the whole market a bit. Possibly. Right now, NVIDIA is actually kind of pushing back up here after hours. NVIDIA is actually above yesterday's high right now, 184 pre-market. So PW, show how trading price action correlates between markets. Okay, so this is Ethereum, right? Cryptocurrency, right? Look at that. That's like it's going down, okay? And then look here at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going down. It's correlated, man. It's all correlated. Is that what you wanted? Was that the groundbreaking information? I want the causation, not the correlation. The Caucasian. Can't sign up for Warbucks. Dude, I don't understand these people that say they can't sign up for Warbucks. How is that possible? It works for everybody. I had no problem. When you have a problem seeing what is it saying when you can't sign up for Warbucks? Where are you seeing that issue? Like, what does it say when you do that? Website not loading. Really? All right, we got filled some more. Putting some more profit taken out down here now. I'm not going to miss this whole move back down and not take profit. Warbucks site, old arcade style. That was kind of the play, actually. That was the idea of it. Crypto funding made killer. WarbucksBTC.com. Can't get past the two-factor authentication. I tried. The site was not working. I don't know. I really don't know what to do. It works for me. I think if you go and if you're having problems getting on to Warbucks BTC, what you can do is add trade to it, right? Type trade in front of Warbucks BTC. Like, use this link. Everybody who's having problems getting to Warbucks BTC, try that. See if you can do it now. Click that link in the chat with the trade.warbucksbtc.com, because then you can just sign up. Warbucks BTC site is messed up for a ton of service providers. When I turn off Wi-Fi, it works. Fucking A. Yeah, I don't know why. Some people are having issues. Not sure. Yeah, it might be getting flagged because they think it's like war. War. Firewall. Yeah, your firewall, bro. Too much war going on. GUI trade. Yeah, it's nice. I wish Trade offered cryptocurrency, but maybe in the future. So. If you're having problems, saw some people said that the new link that I posted is working now, the trade.warbucksbtc. Someone said it could be a DNS propagation. I don't know what that means, but it sounds very, very technical. It could be. I don't know. I'm not the website guy, but we are informing the website guy right now that some people are reporting issues. The volume of followers that you have wanting Trade for Warbucks will bring them around. See, it's not that Trade doesn't want to be our platform. It's just the problem is they don't offer cryptocurrency right now. So come on. Look at this. It's funny because NASDAQ right now is moving down and looking very, very similar. Crypto looking very similar as well. So we got NVIDIA earnings at 420. Dude, you think NVIDIA's trying to get high today or what? What's my bias? Up or down? Honestly, I'm going to be honest. I think it's going to be really choppy. That's my theory on it, to be honest. If I was like going to be, you know, like truly honest with you, that's what I would say. That it's going to be a choppy day. We got Trump speaking. We got NVIDIA earnings. Anything's possible. Right now, we're looking here at Warbucks BTC. I'm trading a 25K instant funded account. Currently up a little over $1,000 here. Short on Ethereum. You can see my take profit trading on the chart here. It's pretty nice. I'm a fan of it. I'm a fan, to be honest. And not just because, well, yeah. So like pretty much I can like move my order right there. Bam. And see if we get filled here now. Just move it right there on the chart. Move it up a little bit more. Right there. And then you can see dee-dee, dee-dee, dee-dee. All right, another fill there. Getting some more filled. We got 15 coins left. 15 coins left here. You can see how I pull my take profit. Just pull it right on down there. Like that. There you go. Take profit has been moved. Is PW off Twitter? No, I'm on Twitter. Hit me up, dude. I'm on Twitter. Did I block you maybe? Maybe. You never know. I might have blocked you. I got an email from somebody yesterday. They said, Patrick, can you please unblock me? I said, no. No, I can't. I ain't gonna do it. Once you get blocked, you always get blocked. Oh, man. I want to see Ethereum fall. I mean, I don't know if maybe just the whole market right now kind of working. Look at Ethereum and the NASDAQ right now moving down here. Can I get filled? Can I get a hallelujah? Come on, baby. So close. There we go. Get another filled. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This short on Ethereum playing out. I like this little feature here. You can move this so you don't have to like have it in the way, which is kind of nice. So you can see like your position, but you can move it and all that stuff. So my trading P&L dashboard right now, average net daily P&L so far, $3,200. $3,200. PW will like more Ethereum than NASDAQ. Yeah, right, man. Ray said, so you could request your Warbucks payout now if you wanted. Well, no, because I have to, let's say, so if I lock in here for $1,500, that means I need to make, how much do I need to make now? 5,000? Yeah, I need to basically make like $5,000 total with the consistency rule. Patrick, can I buy any long sleeve shirts? If you want to. If you want to. I ain't got none, but if you want to, you can. All right, we're getting ready here for the market open right now. NASDAQ below the pivot point there, 24,644. Seeing if we get that move down there. Apex pissing you off this morning. I get it. It is frustrating. Trust me, I know. I don't know. They had some issues yesterday with the Cloudflare and seems to still be looming issues. Uh-oh. Kind of not a big shout out, but a shout out to Trade Day. If you guys were here earlier, we talked about Trade Day. They got a couple different options right now going on. They've got 3 different accounts. They got the intraday, they've got the end of day, and then they got the static account. So you can trade, I believe, 5 accounts with them. So Trade Day, no activation fee. 50K account is $69 for the intraday. The end of day is end of day is 115. So 115 for the end of day there on Trade Day. So end of day on Trade Day. Big shout out to Trade Day in the house. Maybe do some giveaways, some Trade Day account giveaways here soon. Let's go. Probably need to do some Warbucks giveaway accounts. We'll see. Damn. I saw Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar this morning, you crazy little redheaded son of a bitch. Nutty Bar on Twitter calling out Funded Next. I guess Funded Next has been making a bunch of changes. They ran a deal recently with the no payout caps, but now they're making a bunch of changes. And Nutty Bar calling them out. You can see there's a little message right here saying that I would like to formally request to be removed from your affiliate program. Please confirm when this is complete. Nutty Bar, you crazy son of a bitch. Let's go. Big shout out to Nutty Bar. Instead of just getting the bag, he's making the bag. Making the bag. I gotta post that we're live on YouTube so everybody can come watch me. Everybody wants to come watch me. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of pulling back. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's see what happens. What is Nutty Bar doing? He's just getting wild and crazy out there, man. You got to watch out for that guy. He's crazy. He's wild. Nutty Bar is coming to the BDH in December, by the way. He will be here in December. So shout out to Nutty Bar coming to the BDH in December. All right. What do we got? We got about 15 minutes here till market opens. Right now, yeah, I'm not going to lie. I'm not very excited about today's price action. We got NVIDIA earnings after hours, and the whole entire market is going to be fucking just waiting and watching for NVIDIA earnings, which the problem is their earnings are probably going to be good. Right, so it's really going to come down to one very simple idea, and that's going to be their forward guidance. So depending on their forward guidance, that's what we're going to be watching. So plenty of time to see what happens here. Plenty of time to see what happens. All right. Took a little trade there earlier to show somebody how to sell and cover their position here on Trade of 8 prop. On the 2-minute chart, we're below that EMA. Going into open, we got the pivot point there, or sorry, we got the VWAP there at the 24,610 level. 610 level on the VWAP now. I would say at open, my plan is if we start to lose the VWAP, we lose yesterday's close 24,600 level, I'm just gonna go short. That's all I got. That's the only thing I know what to do. If it goes, it goes. So I don't know. We're gonna find out. You know what I mean? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. True story. We're gonna find out. We're gonna fuck around. We're gonna find out today, boys. That's right. That's right. I mean, it's kind of like it's given vibes right now. Like it's given bear flag vibes. If we get through here, we still got plenty. We still got 12 minutes till market opens. So, oh god, this is gonna go. Don't just go. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Don't do it, NASDAQ, please. Please. Please don't do it. Please. Please don't. Please, please, please. I'm going to go buy some trade day accounts. Trade day. All right. We are getting ready here. Another day, another dollar. We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I need an energy drink. That's what is missing right now. We are missing the idea that I need an energy drink here. Yes, that is what we need. I need energy. If I want to make some money, I gotta have some energy. Come on. Oh, God. Victoria does at the Pilates studio. I learned from her. I learned how to do that. All right, I am short here on Ethereum. I'm gonna put another order out here, I think. Put one down there. I'm out of breath. I'm getting old, man. I'm getting old. I'm getting old, chat. Fuck, it sucks getting old, don't it? Don't it just suck getting old, chat? Ba-da-da. 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 What the fuck did I do? Dude, I'm retarded, dude. Where the fuck did the thing go? God damn it. Fuck. All right, so like I said, I think just got to be patient here. We got the VWAP right there, 26.14, this 600 level, right? Like it's like if we get below that, maybe like kind of like dip down here, ding ding, and then we push down to there again is a play, but be a good time to be patient. We got about 7 minutes here till market open. 7 minutes till market open. Whee! Trying to make a little bit of money. Trying to make a little bit of money. Right now, I'm making a little bit of money here on Warbucks BTC. I am short on Ethereum right now. Ooh, buddy. Short from the 3,143s. If I can lock this in right here, then I might just be done for the day. Walk away up $1,500. Get closer to my payout. I gotta be, don't want to go too crazy. Don't want to be going too crazy now. Will it get hit before the market opened? Ooh, we're going. It's trying. 26. I'm going to move it right there to 30. 30, 30, 30, dirty, dirty, 30. Yeah, getting filled. Okay, we got five coins basically left. I'm going to put my stop loss like right there. So, I mean, it's a win-win. It can't lose now. And see if we can't break 3,000 here today. Break 3,000, baby. Let's go. If the NASDAQ starts dumping, crypto is going to dump as well. So let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, she's going now. Look at it. Oh, she's going. She going. She going. She gone. What was your entry on Ethereum? Right there. I got short last night when we broke below, or yesterday afternoon when we broke below that EMA. We had a kind of a double top there at the 3,160s. So you can see my entry there, 30,143 short, and then now down. Why are your viewers botted? You think my viewers are botted? I really don't. I truly don't believe that, but maybe they're botted. I don't know. I don't personally pay for the bots, but maybe they are. Hey Pat, does Warbucks work with Apple? Yes. What's the drawdown for a 5K Warbucks account? It's 8% for the instant funded. Yeah, I mean, I don't really think I don't think there's bots, but I've seen people posting about the idea that my viewers on YouTube are all bots. So, yeah, I don't know. I really don't think they're bots, but maybe they are. Who knows? Who knows? Not me. Not me. All right, so like I said, my plan at open is to basically see what happens with the VWAP here. The DD is too small. I mean, it's a $5,000 account, bro. What, you know, for $45. With no payout target, no profit target or anything like that, so. Ooh, buddy, we're selling. Ethereum selling, NASDAQ selling. We got about 3 minutes here till market opens. I mean, I see all the affiliate money, right? Every month, I see that we're making, I would say on average, revenue from the entire industry monthly. I'm doing about $6 million in revenue per month with people using the code PW. So, I mean, if those are all bots, that's pretty cool. The bots got a lot of money. Those bots got a lot of money. So. Oh, that's 6 million revenue. 6 million revenue, guys. That's not how much money I'm making. That's just total revenue that I'm bringing into the prop firm industry. All right, so we got that 24,600 area is going to be a key level, right? So let's see what happens. Forex Mythbuster said, it's Wieland again, leaving, can't listen to his bullshit. Hey, Forex Mythbuster, when has it ever not been me, you fucking idiot? God. And that same idiot that I just banned from the chat, guess what? He's going to email later and be like, I'm sorry. Can you unban me from the chat? I really want to comment again. And say, no, you're good. You good. Here we go. 30 seconds till market opens. 30 seconds till market opens. Looking to see if we can get some shorts here at open. We just want to look to see what happens. Oh, Lord. Apex website is down. It seems like since yesterday, the Cloudflare issues. All right, there's that 600 test. Fuck. It's just going to go now, huh? I'm going to try a quick short here. See if we get a quick, like, dump through that 80s, maybe more. Oh, we're right back up now. I'm going to play this a little different. I'm going to play my stop up here. I'm going to add here. That might be a terrible idea, actually, but let's see. Back up to test those EMAs. Oh, Lord. Yeah, no, she bad. All right, we're good. Get back below 600s here. Oh, we were good. No, we're good again. We're good. We're back to being good, boys. Don't worry. Nope, we're not back. We were back for a second. No, we're back. Oh, we're back. We're right there at the VWAP. If this thing can crater, it can crater. If you know what I mean, it can crater hard. So I'm gonna take it right there for an easy $6,000. Well, I wouldn't say easy, but that was a $6,000 trade. Two-minute chart here. Now she's gonna go. Stuck below the 600s again. Pushing back up there, 600s one more time to get stuck. Watching, waiting. Right there at the VWAP one more time. I'm gonna try another short here. Stop above this high of that candle and see if the VWAP turns into resistance here and we can sell on down. Through this low next. Chop day, you're right. She tried. Just holding on there. I'm gonna move my stop right to the 650s. And maybe I'm gonna try to add into this. We're right there at the VWAP. We just need to lose that VWAP and sell, sell, sell. Holding up down there for now. We might get stopped. Holding the VWAP there. Pushing back up. We're getting stopped. Oh, man. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I'm all out. I'm going to get out right there. I don't like that push back up. Holding those lows. Got NVIDIA pushing back up. 184s for now, so... Wow. The chop is real. Five-minute candle right now, just a big doji. And they pumped it straight back up again. Wow, look at that. Gotta love that fun stuff. Whew, she gone. Straight to the moon now. Yeah, the VWAP held up there. There's that push, straight back up now. Straight to the fucking highs here. Ugh. Oh, God. I just closed out a trading view. Shit. All right, so they're holding those lows down there for now. Chopped it right back up to the highs. The overnight high right now is 720s. Gonna be another choppy, shitty day. We got Nvidia earnings after hours. Nvidia now just pumped straight up. So Nvidia pumping up. What a time. They broke out of the 5-minute range to the upside. That's about 30 points to the upside there now. So what happens here next? The $1 million question. It's time to be patient here. I still I just don't buy into the fucking this pump right here yet. I ain't buying it. Not yet, at least. All right, we'll see if this pulls back. We're pulling back that pivot point right there, 642. All right, what happens there at the 642s now? Kind of bull flagging now. Breaking out there again, maybe. Got the 15-minute range coming up here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes until your 15-minute orb is set. But this is kind of giving that vibe that it wants to go higher now. Just we're looking at that. Why are we looking at the ES right now? Why is the ES on there, you fucking weirdo? All right, there's the NASDAQ. Sorry about that. There she goes. She's pumping. The chop is real here. Let's see what happens here in this 660 area. Two-minute candle about to close. I'm going to try the long, get a push through 700s possibly. Overnight high right now is 730. So if we break 700, I'm actually going to add. I'm going to add there and then try to ride this all the way up. Almost broke 700. Did not break it yet. Okay, I'm going to add right there. Try to ride this momentum. Adding to the winners. We got an obvious target to the upside there with that overnight high now that we're targeting. So let's see if we get the break. Continuation there. Look for the 720 area as my target. The overnight high is 730s, so we're going to try to sell into that 730 push here, possibly. The ES and the NASDAQ both pushing up here nicely now, so we are long, looking for a push. Give me a little bit more. I like that push there, 720s. All right, all right, all right. We got the 30s. Come on. Got to get over that overnight high here. Oh, buddy. She's trying. A little bit of trouble. Nvidia is still pushing. Need Nvidia to go higher. 185 is on Nvidia. If Nvidia can push through that 185 level strong, we should get this all the way through this high now on NASDAQ. Come on. Come on. There we go. Ding, ding, ding. There's your overnight high getting taken out now. That was exactly what we were looking for, right? Just breaking it down one more time. We pushed above those EMAs. We pushed above the pivot point. We pulled back. We bounced right off those EMAs, the 9, the 21. And then we took out the overnight high there. So that was exactly what I said I was looking for, my target, my plan. And bam, bam, bam. All right, all right. Let's go. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Still going higher, 740s now. It don't get any cleaner than that. 750, still going, guys. This thing is absolutely ripping right now. She's ripping. Yeah, the people in the chat talking about the short. Yeah, I mean, that happens, guys. Sometimes you go short and it doesn't work out. And then, I mean, we made money on that first short of the day. We got stopped out on the second short, smaller size. So that's all it is. You take trades, you get in, you get out. Still, Nvidia showing some strength here. All the way up there to the 760s. Does it go higher? I mean, it's got room. To that, maybe to yesterday's high area, 24,800 to squeeze everybody. Why not, right? Why not just squeeze everybody there? I think the big thing you got to really focus on as a trader is you cannot become overly married to one bias, one side of the trade, you know? If the shorts don't work out, well, then sometimes the long is the play, you know? You see the long opportunity. The problem is if you keep shorting and shorting and shorting, well, that's when you're going to blow up. You got to be quick to be like, hey, you know, we couldn't go lower, so what are we going to do next? Let's go higher. Make a little bit of money, baby. That's all we're trying to do. Just trying to make a little bit of money, people. Sometimes she goes up, sometimes she goes down. Little pullback there, 730s now. The 15-minute range has now been set. So we have our 15-minute range here. Do we break the 15-minute range and go higher, or do we just basically overshoot the overnight high and then we start to pull back here some? We're going to find out sooner than later. Cool. Strong reaction again on that pullback. The bears are I think they might get squeezed again here. They might get squeezed again. Watch out. New high incoming. The ES going absolutely to the moon right now. Wow. Wowzers. Oh, wow, boy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wowzers. Oh, wow. The bull flag is real. Pump all day so that we can dump on the earnings, possibly. All right, I'm going to try a long right here at the top here. I know. We just didn't get really much of a pullback there, but I'm kind of targeting that 800 level now. Stop below this 720s. We'll see if it hits. All right, I like this push here. I want to see us go straight through the fucking 800s next. Don't slow down, NASDAQ. Just go straight through there. If we can move through the 80s, I'm going to try to trail this. I kind of move my stop up quickly and just try to trail it tight. Just so that way it don't, like, push up there, reverse, and then stop me out or something stupid. So there's that little bit of a push here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we are going to trail. We're in the money. We can't lose. Let's get through the 80s there next and then trail again. Go to like 75. No. Up, see? Couldn't get it. It's fine. Cancel out the take profit. Now it's gonna go. Maybe I was a little too tight there on that trail. I might have been a little too tight on that trail there, boys. I might have been. Might have been a little too tight on that. A little bit too tight. A little bit too tight. I gotta look at my crypto position. I am short on Ethereum. We locked in some profit. Right now we're up about $1,500 in this 25K account. Current P&L floating around 455 on warbucksbtc.com. The nice thing about Warbucks is you can hold trades all night, every night, 24 hours a day. There is no cutoff. You can basically be in and hold, trade, play, and all that fun stuff. So right now, just sitting, kind of watching to see what happens here. Ethereum right now, 3,049 holding on there. So all right, NASDAQ, little pullback there. Like I said, I was just going to be, playing it safe there. We did get a pullback that would have probably stopped me out either way there. So let's see what happens here next. Looking forward to the video on Warbucks. Yes, I'll be working on that. Will there be a 1099 tax form like other props? Yes, there will be. There'll be I'll do a full tutorial video later on today. If you have any questions, the support team, we got a really good support team, customer service team at Warbucks BTC. Any questions you have, they can answer it. Probably better than I can, honestly. What platform do you use for trade? It's called GUI Trade, but it's basically DXTrader for crypto. You can have multiple accounts with Warbucks, but you can't copy trade. You can't have multiple of the same accounts. You can have like one 5K, one 10K, one 25K, and all that. So Can you trade Warbucks on the weekends? Dude, you can trade Warbucks whenever you want, my friend. All day, every day. 365 days a year. Wow. NASDAQ, there she goes. That was that push that we wanted. Up there to the 800s now. She's on a tear. Absolute tear right now. You gotta love it. Fucking NASDAQ, man. She goes up, she goes down, 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 she goes up, she goes down. Whee! If you made money this morning, let me know in the chat. What can I do to make this stream even better? How do we go bigger? How do we go larger? What can be better? You know, what can be better? How do we make it better, chat? How do we make this better? I'm trying to make it better for you guys. That's right, for you. For you. For you. Wow, NASDAQ up there to the 767. Oh, 800 break. There's the 800 break now. Come on. Come on, chat. Why you gotta do that to me? Why you gotta do that to me, NASDAQ? If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, let's go. We got D-Money getting to 3,000 likes. You got D-Money getting 3,000 likes. Come on. What a time. Look at this. 820s, 830s. That's 30 points through the 800s. Are you fucking kidding me right now? What in the fuck is going on? Ah! Still going higher. Still going higher. Still going. That's right. We took the long to break out from the 15-minute range. Look at that. That's 40. Oh, my God. 840s. Are you kidding me right now, chat? Come on. NVIDIA going to the moon right now. NVIDIA from the 182 yesterday, 181 close, now 186. NVIDIA pumping this whole entire market. It's getting wild. It's getting crazy. Instant funding means no evaluation. That is right. Warbucks, BTC, there's no evaluation. We got trade day coming through with the hot deal too. 30% off, no activation fee, $69 for the 50K intraday account. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. What else we got? We got you know what I love about this industry right now is the fact that there are so many options. There's so many different ways to trade, different prop firms, different deals. You can get it all, get it in, get it out, figure out what works best for you, and then make a little bit of money. Not like the old days where you only had a few options. You got a lot of options now. You got so many damn options. Oh, Lord. What a time to be alive. I was waiting for an email this morning from the company that's wrapping my boat. They haven't emailed me yet, so I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. In terms of like, I don't know if they're actually, if everything's fine or if everything's not fine or if, you know, I don't know exactly, to be honest. I'm a little worried. No news is good news, they say, but sometimes it's bad news. Is it just me or is Apex still down? It does seem that Cloudflare and Apex is still down. Yes, oh my God. Guys, NASDAQ still ripping 850s now, 860s. What the fuck? This is crazy. Well, the 15-minute range, for anybody that's new to the channel, check it out. We got the 15-minute range. Very simple idea here, right? The first 15-minute candle, it opens. That's your 15-minute opening range. From the 750s now up there to the 846s. What a time to be alive. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. In hindsight, it's always so beautiful, huh? Like, oh, Patrick, why'd you not just get long at the bottom down there and sell at the top? Well, sir, if I, well, about that. Funny story, right? Funny story, about that, about that. I didn't know. I didn't know, man. I didn't know. I didn't know. You know, I didn't know. Still going higher. 857s now. All right. Well, I guess we got to be patient and wait to see some kind of pullback here. We got long. I got long earlier there. What, at the 760s? And people said I was getting hot long at the top. Yeah, so much for that. So much for that. Where's the guy in the chat that was making fun of me? Making fun of me for that. He said, Patrick, aha, you got long at the top. And I said, okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Short squeeze, there are no pullbacks. Oh, there's always a pullback, my friend. There is always a pullback. Always. All right, patience, my friends. Right now, trade day is 30% off. Use the code PW. No activation fee. They have intraday. They've got the end of day. They've got it all. Look at these guys. I mean, they just look at these guys. You know, look at them. Just look at them. Would you not want those guys to be the owner of your prop firm? I mean, they just look like I'd want to hang out with them. I actually had a phone call this morning with these guys talking about trade day, and yeah, I was like, man, y'all got to come to Florida. I'm going to have them come to Florida, come to the BDH. They've been around for a long time. They were trading back in the day. They actually traded back in the day, real traders back in the day in London. So, just some good old London boys. Good old London boys there. All right, well, NASDAQ, no pullbacks. No pullbacks, no pullbacks. Oh, God. Why me? Why does it always do this? You know, like, why is NASDAQ always gotta do this? Be like, no pullbacks, haha. And the best part is the one pullback. Look at this. The one fucking pullback of this whole fucking move right here was when I got long. I got stopped out. And, well, I got stopped out for a profit. And then that was the fucking move. That's hilarious. You know, you just gotta laugh, honestly. It's a funny thing, right? Like, it's just funny. You just gotta laugh. You gotta be like, ha ha, ha ha ha. You know, like, ha ha. Isn't that funny? Right? Like, that's funny, man. You know, I'm just laughing like, ha ha ha, ha ha. That's funny. Don't you think it's funny? All right, 24,900 now. Oh my God. Oh my God, Billy. All right, we're trying to be patient, people. We're trying to be patient here. Just be patient. Just be patient. Be patient. There will be a pullback here at some point, right? I don't know when it's going to happen, but at some point, it's going to pull back. So we just got to be patient. Don't be that guy. Don't be the fucking, you know, don't be that guy who's just trying to get in on every little move. Although, sometimes it's good to be that guy. All right, we got right there to that pivot point. 24,900 pivot point. Guys, the market right now is up 400 points since open. Is anybody still long? Is anybody still long? The fuck? What a wild move. Look at the hourly candle. Shh. Wow. Wow. You know, like, wow. Sick. Awesome. Really great. Really great. Awesome. So great. So awesome. You know? So awesome. All right, it's 10 o'clock. No pullbacks. Not allowed here. No, we're not. No pullbacks allowed. No pullbacks allowed. All right, no pullbacks here, people. No pullbacks. It's my life, and it's now or never. Oh yeah, by the way, Trade Day offers 6 accounts. You can have 6 accounts with Trade Day. And NASDAQ, 24,900, still going higher, right to that pivot point now. Fuck me, dude. Oh, Lord. Still going higher. All right, I'm just going to be patient because I know that at some point there's going to be a pullback. Who knows? We got NVIDIA pulling back here a little bit right now. That's kind of what I'm watching NVIDIA, right? I want to like that weakness on NVIDIA kind of like is what I'm seeing. That if NVIDIA pulls back, well, then we get more pullback in the NASDAQ. But fucking A. What a ripper. What a ripper. I got stopped out. Well, I didn't get stopped out, but I got out of my short on Ethereum. I was short on Ethereum. I had to put my last stop right there. I put my last stop right above this high. We got stopped. So total profit in this account so far is about $1,500. So I won't trade anymore today, and then tomorrow I'll try to make another $1,500. And then another $1,500 after that, and then request a payout. So, well, let's go. WarbucksBTC.com for only $45. You can start trading today, right now. Instant funding. It's called instant for a reason. Oh, my Lord. Wow. It's going to be one of those days, boys. Just one of those days where there's no pullback. It's just go higher and higher forever. How much you want to bet? If I go long right now, it'll pull back. You want to bet? Anybody want to bet me? I bet you. How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? Anybody want to bet that? Anybody? I bet you. I bet you if I go long right now, it'll pull back. What are the chances? Anybody? Anybody want to do the numbers on this? Anybody? I bet you won't. Should we go short or should we go long? I'm gonna try a long here. And put my stop at the bottom of that candle for now. I just can't keep missing out on this move anymore. I can't keep missing out. I can't keep missing out. Where do we put our target at? Up here? How high do we go on this target now? That's 30 points if we get up there to the 45s next. 45 is 50. Another is 100% of the opening range. So maybe. And see, the problem now is if I take profit, like right now, if I take profit right now, it's going to go higher. And then I'm screwed either way. So entertainment purposes, chat. Entertainment purposes. Don't follow me. I don't know what I'm doing. I drank too many energy. I drank too many energy drinks. I drank too many energy drinks. Okay. Oh. What do I do, chat? What do I do? What do I do, chat? Take profit, chat? Tell me. What do I do right here? Do I take profit? What do I do? Hey, PW, why am I not seeing my P&L on my trades on Warbucks? Guys, I don't know what you're talking about. Reach out to the customer support. They'll hook you up. Hold. Take profit or hold. Should I take profit or hold? Let me see. Let me do a poll. Should I move my target up? Let's see. Hold or sell. Come on. Hold. Don't be a pussy. Well, I am what I eat. You know, what can I say? Right now, we got the poll. 62% are saying to hold. 38% are saying to sell. Chat, y'all are naughty boys. Y'all are naughty boys. I think what I'll do is, I was going to say move my stop, but I don't know, man. I don't know, man. We got a pivot point right there at the 900s. I basically want to see us hold that 900 level there. If we can ramp up through the 40s. I mean, this is like right there. So maybe I'll just take it here. Trail, but not too close. I don't know, man. I like to get close. Yeah, I don't like that candle getting denied right there. Damn it, chat. It's always the chat's fault. The chat told me to hold. Damn it, chat. Y'all got me. Damn it, chat. Should I add? Ooh, that would really blow some minds. Wouldn't that really blow some minds? Hold, don't stress. It's going higher. Sure. Shit. You think I'm stressing? Ain't nobody stressing around here, boy. I live for this shit. I eat stress for breakfast. Oh, God. Full port for entertainment purposes. Okay, if we dip down below 900, I'll full port for entertainment purposes. Oh, God. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute chart and just see what's going on here. I like that little bounce there. If we can just flip, get back above this thing. If we break above 926s, I'm going to add. So if we break above this candle high, I'm going to add there. Okay? I'm going to add there. I'm going to add above 926s. This is not good, by the way. All right, I'm going to add right here. That's going to be our bounce. We're going to bounce off the 900s, right? I'm telling you, this is how it's going to go. We're going to bounce off the 900s. We're going to go 960s next. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. You're gambling, bro. What are you talking about? I'm gambling. I'm winning. How am I gambling? How is this gambling? I'm winning. Talking about I'm gambling. This guy, you're gambling. Shit. If I'm gambling, then I'm the luckiest motherfucker on this fucking planet. I'm the luckiest motherfucker on this planet. He's a gambler. He's a gambler. Woo! Woo! Whee! You're too late, editor. It's over. Get out of here. I went for a run. I went for a fucking run. I went for a motherfucking run. I don't care what you say about me, 'cause I'm the best that's ever done it. Please. Ah! I'm gonna move his target up a little bit because it's gonna go higher. It's gonna go higher. Can't lose now, so just putting my stop there. Bottom of that big boner candle. Oh God, it's pulling back again. Oh God. Oh God. Can you take me higher? I want $10,000. $10,000 or nothing. I want 10. I want $10,000 or nothing. I want $10,000 or nothing. Is it hit? Damn it, it didn't hit yet. I want 10,000 or nothing. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. I can't even look at it right now. Hey, that looks pretty good. Take a little bit of profit right there. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit. Guys. People. There's nobody doing it like this. There's nobody. There is nobody. There's nobody. Nobody doing it like this. I'm gonna go for another run real quick. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Someone said straight up luck. Straight up. Straight up luck. Straight up fucking luck. You got no idea, boy. You got no idea. He said luck. Shit. How the fuck is that straight up luck? Tell me, explain it to me. How about this? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Pivot point. Bounced. 900. Bounced. Bounced. You know? Everybody got something to say. But nobody wants to give me the fuck. Nobody wants to give me credit. You know, just, I'm good. I'm fucking good, man. What do you want from me? I'm good. I'm fucking the best to ever do it. I wake up in the morning, I piss fucking excellence. You should see my piss. This shit is fucking glowing. It's glowing from all the excellence. Definitely not from all the energy drinks. Nvidia's still pumping. I'm going for that 25,000 break. I think we're going 25,000s here. Just putting that out there. What's crypto doing? Looks like Ethereum pumped back up there a little bit. All right. Okay, little buddy. I'm gonna put my stop like right there. Ugh. Easy said, Patrick, why do I keep blowing up when I go big like you? Well, don't be like me. Be better than me. You know, be better than me, chat. Don't be like me. Be better than me. Be better than me. People always be like, Patrick, I want to be like you when I grow up. I'm like, fuck. Be better. Aim higher, man. Don't settle for I'm just a guy on the internet, man. Be better. Go bigger. Go harder. Go longer. I got my stop there at the 940s now. We'll ask the little magic 8-ball here. Little magic 8-ball. Mr. Magic 8-ball, will the NASDAQ go above 500? It says prospect good. The only problem is we don't know if it's going to be now or later. That's the only problem with the Magic 8-ball is you never know what time. You know, it don't tell you the exact time. It just says good prospect, but it don't mean it's going to do it right now. So it could do it later as well. So I was almost 100 points, by the way. I forgot about that. We're almost up 100 points there on that trade for a minute. I could be a baseball player. Look at that. Caught Magic 8-ball in one hand. Baseball player material. Put me in the MLB. Put me in the WNBA. I mean the MLB, whatever. What's the baseball one? MLB, BBL. Put me in the BBL. Big booty Brazilians. All right, we're stopped out there for now. I'm happy about that. Well, I'm not happy about it, but I'll take it for now. Trying to see where we got stuck at there. We broke above this high there at the 960s. After that, 25,000 just kind of down there or up there waiting to get touched. So we'll see if that is our next level of interest. Next level of interest here. Now that I got stopped out, it's probably going to fucking... Are you kidding me? Bro. Come on. The market makers, are you kidding me? No way. No fucking way, chat. Are you fucking, you're kidding me, right? That's a joke. Right, that's a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. I'm going in 10 contracts here. I cannot live without getting this 500 push. I can't do it. I will not do it. I will not do it. Okay, I'm not going to do it. It's either make it or break it. Mostly break it, but sometimes make it. I will not perish. I will not go silently into the darkness. Uh-oh. Just JK. Oh, okay. Oh, God. Just got stuck right there, didn't it? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Of course he's gambling once again. Hey, Isaiah Washington. Are you fucking poor? Are you poor? Are you? I bet you are. I bet you are, you motherfucker. Oh. Oh, pulled right back just to stop me out again. It's okay, chat. Don't worry. We're okay. Everything's fine. I'm still rich. We're still rich. Don't judge me by my one loss. Judge me by my winners, okay? Judge me by my winners, not by my losers. Don't judge me by my losers, but judge me by my winners. Okay? Okay. Raymond said I lost twice. Yeah, well, Raymond, go fuck yourself. All right, Raymond, you go ahead and fuck yourself, Raymond. You just go ahead and just whatever you got, just find something and fuck yourself, all right? Just go ahead and fuck yourself. Okay? Let's get those likes up to 2,000. I agree. 2,000 likes. We make me holler. Make me holler, chat. Ugh. Need to get this candle back up above that 60 area quickly. Patrick, if you're so rich, then give me a funded account. Bro, see, that's not how it works. When you're rich, you don't give people free shit. You idiot. You don't get rich by giving people shit. You get rich by selling people shit. You need I'm so rich, so that means you need to use the code PW to buy a new account, not get a free account. Hey, what happened? It went back up, chat. Oh my God, what will we ever do? Oh my God. Oh, fuck. I'm never gonna be able to recover from this. Oh God, pulled back. NASDAQ, I'm sorry. Come back. No, NASDAQ, go back. No, go back up. Damn it. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Magical blue line of resistance. You know it. Always the issue. They get me every time. That goddamn blue line, man. Bro, this is gambling. Hey, guys, if this is gambling, then don't watch, you fucking idiots. I love the people, this is gambling. This is gambling. You know what else is gambling? Life is a gamble. Every day you wake up and you gamble. Right? Every fucking day, bro. Every fucking day you do it. It's life. I wake up every day and I gamble. I wake up and I choose to come on his live stream and make $1 million a month. I choose to do that. That's the gamble that I take. I could play it safe. I could get a job at fucking McDonald's, the most fucking consistently fucking, just it's open 24 hours. No gamble there. Go work at McDonald's. I go work at McDonald's. I'll be the best fry cook there's ever been. No gamble, no Ferrari. No Rari, no Rari. No Rari, no Rari. We get through this 70 level, we're going, boys. Think about it, guys. If I would have played it safe, right? If I would have done what everyone else did in life, if I would have got a normal job, if I would have went to college, if I would have done everything that they tell you to do when you're young, they tell you don't take any chances, don't be risky, don't do that, guess where I would be at? I wouldn't be where I'm at. You know, I'd be nowhere. I'd be like every other fucking loser in the world, working some shitty fucking job, hating life, and sitting there on the weekends jerking off to fucking some porn of some big titty blonde. That's what I'd be doing. But I live in that life, boys. I'm living it. I'm fucking living that life. The same life that the fucking losers that work normal jobs jerk off to, that's what I'm living. Think about that. I am fucking living it. I'm living that life. So yes, let's go. All right, well, we're just holding here now. Keep gambling, bro. I don't know why they think that like hurts me. Oh my God. Somebody on the internet said I was gambling. Someone on the internet said I was gambling. Oh no. Oh no. What will they ever do? I'm never gonna be able to survive now. I'm never gonna be able to survive. Oh no. What will I ever do? I'm never gonna be able to survive. I'm never gonna be able to survive. I like, you know, the funny thing is the people that are calling me gamblers, I guarantee that I make more money in one day than they make an entire year. Think about that. Just think about that, chat. Think about that. I could lose $100,000 right now, and it would not even faze me. It would be fugazi. It's not real, man. NASDAQ stuck right at my look at this thing. We're going, I mean, it's going to go one direction or the other. 10:30, here we go. Someone said there was some news at 10:30. Let's see if it actually does something. Oh, crude oil. It was oil news? No, I wasn't too. I thought it was something actually better. Wow. Like, what is the chances? What are the chances that this is what happens? The market just gets stuck right here. Literally, what are the chances of that? What are the chances of that? This is crazy. It's crazy. Trump speaking at noon. Possibly. Patrick, do you know what will happen when Nvidia reports the earnings? I have no idea, to be honest. All right, we might get stopped here. Oh, God. It's okay. Okay. Oh. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, chat. Just how it goes. Just how it goes. Just how it goes. how it goes. Why am I moving my stop? Just so I didn't get wick out right there. That's why. Oh my Lord. Walker got his Apex account up over 2,600. Let's go. Get that payout, baby. Get that payout, baby. Well, the NASDAQ just absolutely stuck here now. No move. You got Nvidia trying to make a new high. So if Nvidia can make a new high, we'll see if the NASDAQ will push as well. 187.80 on Nvidia right now. 188 coming up. Just need to go. Maybe in consolidation. No, it's definitely in consolidation. You're not wrong. You 100% right. You are 100% right. It's in consolidation. I'll give you an award for that call out there. Giving you an award for that one. How much am I up today? I don't make money, guys. I don't make any money trading. Don't follow me. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's red, red, red every single day here. Well, you can see here on kind of the bigger time frames, that 15-minute chart, we're just stuck inside the body of that last 15-minute candle. 5-minute candle kind of coming back down here. We got a pivot point at the 913s. Maybe we pull back into that first before going higher. I don't know. Nvidia's just stuck now. We might get stopped there. So close to my stop. Yeah, we're going to get stopped here. This 5-minute candle is going to dip down into this. Watch. Oh, God. No? Yes? Nah, the 5-minute candle is coming down here. She's stopping down here for sure. You got the pivot point of the 911s. Let's see if we bounce off of. Do you live trade so that people can learn from you, or is there some other reason? No, I just do it to make money, bro. That's the only reason. The only reason I do this is to make money. That's all I do. Just I'm here for profit. Honestly. I like you guys, but I mean, I'm here to make money. All right, NASDAQ going nowhere now. Is D-Money later on? Yeah, D-Money 1:30, guys. 1:30 for the D-Money show later on this afternoon. If you want to watch D-Money, come back at 1:30. 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. for the D-Money show. And again, guys, if your guru, right? If your guru is telling you that he only trades to help people, and he only has a Discord to help people, and he only sells a course to help people, and he only sells a book to help people, and he only does everything to help people, he lying. He lying to you. You know that, right? You know what I mean? He lying to you. You know, he lying, by the way. He lying. So, He lying. Don't let him lie to you. Because he lying. You know, don't let him lie to you because he lying. Yeah, Jay Dunn's definitely lying. I liked how the other day Jay Dunn posted about how he sold family-funded futures and made a bunch of money. Yeah, bro. You sold it to Danny's dad. Danny's dad bought funded family futures from Jay Dunn for $1 billion. 1 billion. 1 billion trillion. Oh, man, that's funny. Wow, Ethereum getting absolutely murdered. Ethereum getting stuck there and pulling all the way back down there 3,000s now. Got some volatility in the cryptocurrency world right now. We got Warbucks BTC for only $45. You can start trading today. Today in my Warbucks account, we are up. We're up. I don't. This is not. I think this is from from yesterday. So we're up right now on the day. You can see we're up $1,500 in this 25K account with Warbucks BTC. I had a short there earlier. Look at it. Wow, that thing got murdered. 3,000s. If you want to see how we trade, so basically like right here, is this going to be a double bottom? Maybe. If I click on the chart, let's say I want to sell 5 Ethereum coins. All right, we'll put our target right there. See if we get filled before going below 3,000. Maybe. You got the ES just hold NASDAQ and the ES just holding up right now. Do do do. Come on. Don't go lower before going. Go higher before going lower. Come on. Ethereum. Trying to get filled here at the 10s. Nope. Nope. Has anyone in here been paid out by Warbucks? Well, Warbucks just launched on Monday. So, it might be a few days before the payouts start hitting. All right, we're not going to get filled there yet, so I got to be patient. I'm going to put an order out like this. I'm going to put an order up into here. Maybe keep it around this area. Put an order out there. See what happens. If it pushes back up there or not. Right now, the NASDAQ back down here. Just can't get off of that 900 level for now. 24,900 bouncing around. Bouncing around there. 24,900. PW, will you be the first payout from Warbucks? I mean, I probably won't take a payout because it's my company. So, yeah. Be kind of awkward. Be like, look, I got a payout. And be like, who paid you? Well, I did. I'm like, damn it. You got me. All right, NASDAQ back down there below the 900s. We could not get above those highs, so just kind of slowly grinding back down now. Going into that 1050 time frame area. How much could you get payout on Warbucks? I mean, you could get $1 million payout if you made enough money. I mean, realistically. I mean, I don't know about, maybe not $1 million. But, yeah. The only rule with the Warbucks payouts is the consistency rule. So, $33% consistency rule. So just basically like you just want to be consistent, make a couple $100 a day, and then get a payout. So. Why is there consistency rules on prop firms? The reason that there's consistency rules is because of, you know, people just basically gambling. Like if you're going to go and you're just going to buy an account and then just go big size, you know, and trade, make $10,000 day one, that's like, can't really do that. Right? All right, NASDAQ just kind of grinding back down here now. See if we kind of pull back here, 860s or so, maybe 850s. How much does one coin pay per point? Sir, think about it like this, right? Think about it like this. If, let's say, think about it, I mean, I don't know how to make it any easier, but like, if I get short at 3,020, right? All right, and I got 5, let's just, I don't know, we'll just say one coin, just for, you know, simple idea of argument here. If I get short one Ethereum coin at 3,020 and the price goes down $20, let's just, you know, let's just talk out loud here. Ooh, let's say the price goes down $20. If you do the math, that would be a $20 profit. So, yeah, $20 profit is what that. Every dollar is a dollar. Same thing with Bitcoin, right? You know, if you're trading Bitcoin, same thing. What made you change your mind about starting a prop firm, Pat? Well, this is not a futures; it's a crypto trading prop firm. So, it's something different, a little bit different than what else is out there. And I thought, okay, it'd be fun to do something different. Can you use only one, or are you stuck at 5? You can use as many as you want. You can trade half a coin as well. You don't even have to trade 5. Like you can trade, I think you can trade like 0.01 if you want. Patrick, does Warbucks pay out? Yes. Why would they not? No margin trading on Warbucks then. Yes, you're trading on margin. Can you show those shoes behind you? Well, I can't really, but that's them. Ta-da! Fuck. Ethereum's just dumping right now. I mean, I guess I already made too much money today anyway, so. Did you get those shoes legit checked? Nah, I bought them from fucking the guy. I paid 20 grand from this guy in New York City. He was on the corner. He had a little stand. He told me they were real, and I said, "Oh yeah, I trust you, bro." So yeah, no, yeah. I bought $20,000 shoes without checking them. Yes, 100%. Got them at the Sawgrass Mall. He told me they were real. I trusted him, so hopefully they're real. Hopefully. Hopefully. All right, NASDAQ down here at the 890 level. If we're looking, kind of like there's a lot of maybe room to pull back a little bit more. What, like 825, like the middle of that 15-minute candle? Both the ES, the NASDAQ, Nvidia, everything kind of pointing down here for now, but We'll see if it's going to be, they're going to put in a higher low here, or if we kind of pull back a little bit more, you know? Are you in West Palm Beach, Patrick? Nope. I live in Hialeah. Little Mexico, Little Cuba. The BDH is in Little Cuba. Little Cuba. Little Cuba. Whenever I'm not trading, I sell counterfeit goods. Yeah, I know a guy. I sit on the corner of Hialeah and sell counterfeit goods. All right, NASDAQ still moving down here. Let's see what happens. Just could not get through those highs. Pulling back here now. We've got the 21 EMA at the 842s. The 5-minute chart still pulling back here. Going into that 10:50 to 11 o'clock time. So... Ooh, more pullback, more pullback. What are the minimum trade days for a payout on Warbucks? There's not a minimum trade day. It's just that there's a 33% consistency rule. So think about it like that, right? If you make, if you make $100 a day and you trade for 3 days, is that enough? I don't know if that's enough. I think you gotta do it for 4 days. So if you make $100 a day for 3 days, yeah, you basically, it would be like 4 days, basically. Like every 4 days, you could basically get a payout with Warbucks. So, Consistent Trader said, what if the whole move retraced to 24,700? I mean, that's possible, to be honest. You're not, like, it's not impossible by any means. I think now we want to see kind of how this plays out, to be honest. Are you the CEO of Warbucks? I'm not really the... Warbucks is only one payout per 30 days. No. You can get a payout every 4 days with Warbucks. Every 4 days, chat. And then after you build up the account, if you leave money in the account, you can also get the payouts pretty much like every day. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to hit up the customer support. They're really great. They'll answer any questions you have. Can I use TradingView? No. Yes, it's not every 30 days. It is not every 30 days. You can get a payout every 4 days or even quicker. I don't know why anyone thinks it was 30 days. Somewhere on the website it said that, but it's not true. It's all been changed now. Sorry about that, the confusion. It is not every 30 days. $45 is the one-time fee. Not for the 100K account. That's for the 5K account. The 100K account is not $45. NASDAQ really pulling back right now. Going into the 11 o'clock hour here. We had a big move up. Obviously getting that pullback now. If you're having issues with the website, there's a link up top. Trade.warbucksbtc.com. You can sign in through there as well. Warbucks has a TradingView integration. Yeah, maybe through DXTrader. DXTrade should be able to sync up with TradingView. Yes, you're right about that. All right, 5-minute chart. We pulled back into that 21 EMA. $45 is the price for the funded 5K account on Warbucks. Yes. Can you use NinjaTrader? No. Man, she's really kind of falling through here. I'm going to try a little momentum short right there to see if we can't get through this 820 level down towards the 800s next. Kind of just falling off right here. Ba-do-do-do. Ugh. Just spilled my drink all over myself. Raymond just made $800 on a trade day, 50K account. Let's go, Raymond. He's our man. If Raymond can't do it, no one can. All right, I'm not looking for like a big, massive. I kind of missed out on a lot of that short. So let's see if we can get a little bit here at the 808s to get filled. We should get it. Maybe. There we go. All right, so we shorted there at the 25s, out at the 808s, just to kind of lock that in there. So I thought that we would probably pretty quickly get down there to the 800s, which we ended up doing. So PW, that was brilliant. I don't know about brilliant. It was something. What made you hook up with Trade Day? We've had Trade Day on Only Prop Firms for a long time, to be honest. I feel bad because we haven't really I feel like giving them the love that they deserve. But yeah, Trade Day is coming in with all the hot stuff. KWin P99. Been short since 6:30. You shorted at 6:30 this morning? Hold on a second. You're short since 6:30? Like 6:30? Sir, what time? Like in the morning or the price? $24,630. Well, yeah, I mean that's you held for a 400. You held for a 400 point stop. Nice. It's good trade management. It's good trade management for sure. That's pretty good. That's good trade management. That's for sure. Done good. Done good, son. Done good. We got the leaderboard. Look at the leaderboard on... This is the leaderboard on... what do you call this? Fucking Warbucks. All right, where are we at? Right now, I'm number 8. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Got some people making money today. Jay Winter making some money. This guy's up $2,000 Billy. He's from Sweden, right? SE, is that Sweden? Or this guy's from Sweden? Yeah, so we're on the leaderboard, top 100. The reason people hate on you is because they aren't you. I mean, is it even a question? Is it even a question? They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they want to get us. They want to get in our anus. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? They hate us because they want my anus. See? It's a real thing. Think about it, right? They hate me because they want my anus. Hey, NASDAQ still going lower here, by the way. What a dump. Fucking A. That, so much for that little quick little short. You gotta love when that happens, don't you? I mean, I fucking love it. I fucking love it when it happens like that. When it just goes like that. Just keeps going lower. We're up, 900 in those account. Oh my God, look at it. 760s now. Consistent trader, I told you it's going back. Consistent trader, do you want to get banned for life? I will fucking, I swear to God, I'll ban you. I will swear, I like you, bro. You always in the chat, but I will ban you. I will ban you. I will ban you. I will. I will fucking ban you. I will ban you so fucking hard. I will ban you. All right, we're right there at the VWAP. I'm gonna see if we get a bounce here off the VWAP. This could be a terrible play, but let's just see if we get a little bounce here. Right, we've been sell, 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 so I'll take a little bounce. Oh, okay, 10 points. Little bounce. Little bounce. Little 10-point bouncer. You know, a little 10-point bounce. Is this the pullback we've been waiting for? Yes. Yes. Yes, it is. Definitely the pullback we've been waiting for. Dude, fucking, everything's just dumping right now. ES dumping. You got NVIDIA back down. It's a bloodbath. It's a bloodbath. Patrick, you need to admit perfect long and perfect short. I don't know what that. What does that mean? What does that even mean? Patrick, you need to admit it. It's perfect long and perfect. Yes, I admit it. You got me. How did you? Wait, hold on a second. You got me. It's true. I don't know how I'm ever gonna bounce back from this one. I'm not gonna lie, dude. The owners of Trade Day, look at they're just good-looking dudes. I might be a little gay, but look at that smile. That's the kind of guy you just like. You just look at the owner, right? You look at the owner of Trade Day, and you're like, damn. Looks like a you know, like you'd have a good time with that guy. You just be like, hey, what up, dude? What up? You want to buy you a beer? Buy you a beer? You know, I don't know. That's how I feel. Some of these you know, prop firm owners, you'd be like, oh, I don't know if I want to hang out with that guy. You know, I don't know if I want to hang out with that guy in real life. You know, I'd be a little scared, you know. I got an email from somebody. They said, hey, Patrick, I trade with you every day. You say great quotes during the show. Can I take one of them and post them in my shorts? Of course. I will place a link to your channel. Well, you know, hey, for you have my permission. You can use my quotes, you know, because they're probably not my quotes anyway, but you can use them with one promise, my friend. There must be one promise that I need from you. Now, the promise is you gotta love me. Love me long time. All right, promise to love me. Don't ever forget about me. When you become famous with your quotes on Instagram, you might love me. Patrick, give me $25,000, please. No. Never. Patrick, 10-point range on the QQQ is insane. Is it insane or is it insane? You know, is it insane or is it insane? We're right here at the top of that 15-minute range, right? I'm kind of like, okay, where are we going? Which way are we going? Which way are we going? RB Trade says, I just need 5,000 PW. Well, for $45, you can go to warbucksbtc.com, right? For $45, you can go to warbucksbtc.com and you can buy $5,000 account. So, you know, I might not be able to help you, but I can help you. Obviously, trading is very, very difficult. I make no money trading, guys. I'm a failed trader. I'm just a YouTuber. I have no idea what I'm doing. So don't quote me. Don't follow me. Don't believe anything that I say. It's all for entertainment purposes. I make the majority of my money from selling my feet pics online. Okay? It's the truth. I want to get it out there. All right? There's a reason that I wear shoes. There's a reason that I wear shoes on the stream. And it's because I can't be letting nobody see my feet. Because they would, you guys, I'd be scared of how you all would be mesmerized. You would be mesmerized at how much money I make from selling my feet pics. I'd be doing them freaky feet pics too. Be pouring, you know, chocolate on them, be putting that honey on them, putting little sprinkles. Be making them real good. This dude be wearing flip-flops on stream. Well, you're not wrong. You're not wrong about that. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. I have done that before. Is this going to be another bear flag? What do you think, chat? Did we take another short here? Is it another bear flag or what? Are we going lower? Are we going lower? Should we try it? If we break that, it's 11 o'clock. I mean, we should go lower here. I'm gonna try to just like add into this and just ride it all the way the fuck down into the goddamn grave. Maybe. Put the Nikes on. No, the Nikes never go on, bro. Rock Lobster got $65 on a soul short. Warbucks. Okay. Okay, Rock Lobster. You little fucking rocky little lobster motherfucker. You trying to take my money, huh? It's war now, boy. It's war now. All right, I'm gonna add. I'm keeping my stop like above this high right here. And I want to see if we can't continue lower from here. Maybe to the middle of the 15-minute range. But this could be a bounce level as well. We had a big sell-off back down. It's either gonna dump straight through here or, well, we're gonna chop around some more. So let's see if we can get that move through the 750s there next. If we break 750s, I'm moving my stops down. All right, let's try to ride this down a little bit. And then we kind of aim for that 700 level down there. We want to start going because I don't like that we're that little fake out, little break to the downside just to like chop some more. Oh God, yeah, we chopping. Fucking Nvidia is chopping back up now. Be careful here. This might stop me out. Just be careful. That's why I got my stop right above this high of those candles. The chop is real. I want to see this candle close very bearish. No, yeah, no. 760s. Let's go through 760s hard. There we go. I'm moving my stops to break even, chat. I know. I'm going to move right there, 750s. We're guaranteeing profit. I like to guarantee fucking profit. 740s for a fill. Still going. 730s getting filled. I got my last stop at the 747s. Don't overcomplicate this shit, chat. Look at that. Look at that. Come on! Are you fucking kidding me? They say I'm a gambler. They say I don't know what I'm doing. Well, who's lying? I think they're lying to you, chat. I think the fucking people in the chat are lying to you. They don't want you to win with me. They want you to think that I don't know what I'm doing. They want you to think that I'm a gambler. They want you to hate me. But the truth is, you just gotta love me. All right, I'm moving my final stop there, 730s. That's 40 points guaranteed. If it stops me out for a profit, that's fine. That's totally fine with me. I'm fine with that. I don't care. It don't bother me. I'm not upset. All right, we locked it in. Easy 40 points. We had the 9 EMA there on the 1 minute chart, shorting into there. I had my stop above this high. That's it. This is all you can do. This is trading. Nobody knows where the fucking market's gonna go next. But the one thing that I do know is that if there's a goddamn bear flag on the chart, I'm gonna short it. Right? That's the truth. That's the only truth that there is. You don't know if I'm profitable. You don't know if I'm a genius. You don't know if I'm a fucking retard. But the one thing that you do know, chat, the one thing that you do know here is that bear flags and bull flags are the only thing that you need to worry about. Right? That's the only thing. Think about it. Bull flags, bear flags, bull flags, bear flags, bull flags, bear flags, bull flags, bear flags. There is nobody on this fucking planet. Nobody that brings this amount of energy to the stream every fucking day. Every day I show up for you guys. And I do it live. I'm so fucking hot right now. I got wet myself. I do this for you. For you. For my people. For my people. God. Oh God. I got water on my keyboard. Oh fuck. That's not good. That's not good. Oh God. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. What's gonna happen now? Oh fucking fuck. Oh shit. Ginger, I need a new keyboard. Stat. Get the good one. Get the good one. Give me the good one. But honestly, guys, like no bullshit. Like just straight up, right? Man to man, woman to woman, whoever the fuck's watching. If you're a girl that thinks he's a guy or a guy who thinks he's a girl, congratulations. That's cool. You know, everybody should have the freedom to do whatever they want to do as long as they don't hurt anybody else. But honestly, the truth though is, guys, all you can do is show up, right? That's all you can do every day. The market is going to do what it's going to do. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. You know, and that's it. That's all there is. There's no rhyme. There's no reason. There's no secret. The only secret is that at the end of the day, it's going to go up. It's going to go down. Look for opportunities to make a little bit of money and then make it. My watch, that's the AP, the Odd Moa Pool Gay. It's an Odd Moa Pool Gay. You don't know what an Odd Moa Pool Gay is? It's expensive, okay? Let me just tell you, it's expensive. All right, it's fucking expensive. All right, another bear flag looking here. I'm going to take another bear flag if we break this 720 level. Look for a breakthrough 700s next. Yeah, there's no secret. I'm telling you. All right, I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to cover right down here for a quick 15 points maybe. Maybe a little bit more. I'm bad at math. Oh, are you kidding me? Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Are you kidding me? She be doing that sometimes. She's playing hard to get. She's playing hard to get, chat. She's playing hard to get. I'm telling you. Look at her. She's playing hard to get down there. The low of that candle so far was 707. 707.75. I missed that fill by 75 cents. This shit's rigged. Do you got more watches? Yeah, I got a couple other APs. I wear this one like my everyday watch because it's got the rubber band on it and it don't get all nasty, and it's already beat up anyway. I dropped it, and yeah, I don't know. Oh, wow. Wow, NASDAQ. Wow. All right, I'm going to just leave this here. Put my target a little lower than 700 now. Do you scuba dive? No. I don't. I stay on top of the water, bro. Another little bear flag here. If we can break through the 700, get me filled. Fuck you, NASDAQ. Guys, there you go. That's another fucking 15 points. That's another 15 points, right? I just gave you literally 730. 773 down there to the 30s. That's 40 points. I just gave you another 15 points, right? Like, you know, hey, I might not be perfect. I might not be perfect. There's plenty of people out there that hate me, but ask yourself, truly though, ask yourself, if I was so terrible, right? If I was such a terrible person, if I was so bad at trading, if all of these things were true, then why am I where I am? Is it all a scam? Why do people choose to watch me? Don't ever forget that. I think people forget that, right? People will be like, Patrick, you're a scammer. You're just gambling. No one, it's like, they watching, they choosing, right? Everybody's choosing to watch. You know? Everyone's choosing to watch. What is this one? This is the Offshore 42 Royal Oak. The Royal Oak 42. It's pretty sick. I got another one that has like the magnesium, really lightweight one. It's a like carbon fiber inlay and stuff. It's pretty sick. But yeah, that's what $20,000 looks like as a watch. They're cool, but they're not that cool. I don't know. When I was poor, I thought, owning a Rolex was cool. And then I bought a Rolex and I was like, oh, it's not that cool. And then I bought an AP and I was like, oh, still not that cool. And then I bought another AP and then I said, oh, it's still not that cool. I don't know. They're whatever. I need to watch this thing. Needs to be cleaned up. I'm going to go buy a gun today. Or buy like 20 guns. I'm going to give everybody guns for Christmas. Ginger's getting a fucking bazooka. Gotta get a rocket launcher. Do you think it's your trading or your persona that keeps people tuning in? I don't know. What do you guys think? I think that, I think the majority of people that tune into me, it's a mixture, right? They enjoy the trading. They enjoy the persona. I mean, you watch some of the other streamers and it's just like, dude, it's fucking, like, I'd want to kill myself. I watch some other streamers and I'm just like, oh my God. How is anybody watching this? So, yeah, they boring as fuck. But they're also bad at trading too, which is funny. So, you could be bigger if you would not swear that much. See, but that's the thing, right? I could be a lot of things, right? Like, I could be gay if I like dudes, right? And I also could be poor if I didn't make money. You could be a lot of things, but that's just not who I am. So, what am I going to do? It's like I always say, I'd rather people either hate me or love me, right? I don't want both. I don't want like mix. I don't want like a 50-50. I don't want someone to be like, yeah, he's cool. Patrick's okay. Like nobody's ever going to say that Patrick Wieland is okay. Like that'll never be a word out of anyone's mouth in history. So that's what I kind of pride myself on. You either gonna fucking love me or you're gonna fucking hate me. And that's fine. I'm totally fine with that. I've built a business based on that. I've built a business on the idea that I cannot make everybody love me. I can't. Nobody truly can. Maybe unless you're a fucking Mother Teresa, but there's still someone out there who's like, nah, man, Mother Teresa, she's a scam. So, do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do. Be happy, make money, and fuck it. You're like Trump. I mean, to be honest, yeah. Trump makes a really good point. Trump, He talked, there's a thing, he has his rules, right? His rules of business. No matter what, no fucking matter what. It don't matter if they got you, you know, fucking, they got you good. No matter what, you never, ever admit defeat. No matter what, you never admit defeat. Every fucking opportunity, every situation, everything, you always find a way to make it, you know, make it that you're the winner of it. No matter what. You get sued? Oh, yeah, they're suing me because I'm big. Why is Top Step suing me? I don't know. Let's think about it. Because I'm the biggest and the largest. I get more views than they do. I can do, you know, like, think about it's like, why, if I was such a shitty, terrible YouTuber that no one cared about, why would the biggest company in this space be suing me? So think about that, you know? The question is like, wait, why? Why would they? You know, why would they waste their time? So, and the way I look at it is that lawsuit, there is no loss for me. It's a win-win no matter what. So, I'm not worried about it. Is it true that Michael's wife was on The Bachelor? Yes. I did not make that up. She went on The Bachelor, and then Michael cried about it and called The Bachelor and told him that his girlfriend was on The Bachelor, and they kicked her off. If my girlfriend went on The Bachelor, you know what I would do? You know what I would do? Yeah, no, I would not call. I'd go get a new girlfriend. Real quick. Are you friends with the guy who won the BDH competition? Honestly, I've never met him. I've never met him in real life, to be honest. So. Alternative said, I'm a liberal, so I love you and hate you. Well, I mean, hey. That's fine. All right, right now we're stuck below the VWAP here. We're kind of bear flagging here at the 720s. Right, we're kind of bear flagging there. I'm going to try one more short with a stop above the 740s. If it breaks 700, I'll be looking for like 660, maybe like 690s, just to lock that in there really quickly, that low. Just break this 700 level quickly and get down there and fill me. Get it over with. And then I can walk away, go buy some guns. Well, we had 10 points for a minute. 700 bounce it back up. NASDAQ. The VWAP is right at 740. That's like right where this is. I'm going to move this stop up. Just because that VWAP, I want to see if we get stuck there at the VWAP. Right, we got the VWAP right there. So we're kind of like gonna 5 minute, we got this bear flag. So let's see what happens this 740 area. Maybe I'll add 740s. Patrick, where are you gonna buy guns at? Palm Beach Tactical. They're in Boca. Palm Beach Tactical is where I'm gonna buy some guns. Get all the guns. What was your first gun? Probably like an AR. Or, I mean, I guess maybe when I was younger, I had some smaller guns, but first one that I ever like bought was definitely an AR. All right, there's that little pushback up to the VWAP. I'm going to add right there and see if the VWAP's going to act as resistance. If not, we get stopped, so. Nvidia kind of popping back up. Ugh. Yeah, I don't like that we're back up here now. Just could not get denied there at the VWAP. Give it a little bit of room here and we might get stopped. We're like stuck right there at the VWAP. We just need to stay below this 760 level. We should be good. What time do you usually call it? I usually call it around 11. It's 11:20, so I probably should have already called it, but YOLO. Ugh. Wow. nasty. Little double bottom down there. 700 holding up. So D-Money will be back here later on. Or he'll be here later on. 1:30 p.m. for the D-Money show. Yeah, NVIDIA just kind of popped right back up there. 186 again. So giving it a little bit of room here. I think if we basically need to stay below 60s. If we can't stay below 60s, maybe we pop back up here. Trump talks to investors in 40 minutes. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Still the VWAP acting as resistance there. Come on, let's get this reverse right back down, boys. Come on. Come on, there we go. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy girl, baby girl. Oh, baby girl. Baby girl, I might just take it all right here, then walk away in the green. Oh, baby girl. Oh, baby girl. Oh, Lord. Baby girl. There's your VWAP. I think I was just a little early there to that flag. But if you look on the 5-minute chart, we kind of had that idea of that flag. We pushed up right to that top of that opening range, got stuck at the VWAP, and then sold back down. So you can see why I put my stop where I did, right? And that's the thing I tell people all the time is my stop is not going to be based on a money amount. It's not going to be based on a number amount or anything like that. It's never going to be based on anything other than simply, is my trade going to get invalidated or not invalidated, right? So this little pushback up here, the reason that I didn't cover, and which, guys, and by no means, when I say this stuff, right, I tell you guys this stuff, I'm not telling you to ever do what I do. Don't ever do what I do. But the reason that I trade the way that I do is because why would I basically put my, think about it, like why would I get stopped out right here? You know, why? Like why would I do that? That makes no sense. Right? It just makes no sense. Like, why would I do that? You're going to get stopped out at the VWAP, get stopped out right below that 5-minute EMA. Like, you know, like ask yourself that. Think about that. Like put your, look at this thing is fucking going now. Still going lower. So again, guys, people always ask me, like, what's my risk? My risk on a trade is always going to be basically, am I getting, is the trade invalidated? Are we breaking through a key level? Whatever it is. Like, that's what I'm getting stopped out. I'm not getting stopped out just because I'm down $500. All right? That's the way I look at it. Because also sometimes, you know, if you enter a trade or you don't enter a trade because you're like, well, I can't put my stop, you know, at a good spot. Well, that's good too, right? That's the way I look at it. So like here, let's say, well, maybe if you got a short right there for that break, but you know, like, would you want to get short right here? Well, no, probably not. Cause like, where's your stop at? Well, your stop's gotta, you know, like you're like, fuck, it kind of needs to be all the way up here. It's like a 100-point stop. Like I ain't doing all that. That's crazy talk. You know? So. Tula Trade says, let me mentor you, Patrick. You want to mentor me? Tula Trades, you're going to mentor me? You're going to teach me? You're going to mentor me? What are you going to mentor me? What are you going to teach me? How much money do you make, Tula Trades? Your VWAP was 24,760. I mean, my VWAP was right there, 740. So oh, I was saying I didn't want it. I was just looking at that like level, right? I was like, I basically don't want it above 760. Is what, you know, I was just like basically looking at this level here. Like as long as we were closing, right? As long as we were like closing below that level, that's what I was saying, 760. The VWAP was like right here at 740, but 760 was like, okay, I want to see price stay below 760. That's what I was pointing out. So someone's calling me. This might be my fucking hello. Hey, how's it going, man? All right, perfect. All right, thanks. I'm getting an ice machine delivered to my house for all my drinks and pina coladas. Pina coladas for the boys. Pina colada. Hey, the freight guy's gonna be there in like 30-40 minutes. Perfect. And then I would just the battery's dead in the Bronco, so it's like right in the middle of the fucking garage, but you should be able to get stuff around it. If not, you can just put it in neutral and push it out of the way if you need to. I gotta get jumper cables. All right, peace. Fucking left the lights on my fucking 1969 Bronco. You know, it don't have automatic fucking lights. I don't even know what I was doing, to be honest. I came home the other night after dinner and I just parked it, and I guess I left the lights on. Drained the batteries. So I gotta get some jumper cables. But yeah, good day, man. I don't know. What time is it? 11, almost 11:30. I can answer some questions. What's my P&L? I don't make money, guys. No P&L here. Just nothing but losses and gambling, but mostly so. One day I'll become profitable, but right now I am not profitable. Is that a bear flagging again? See, the one thing that I like to be careful about is when we start to get into these like areas where we kind of like start doing these, like we're doing flag. We just got to be careful, because that's consolidating, right? That's like starting to consolidate here. So you got to wait. What's the last prop firm payout that you've had? I don't know, man. I don't make money. Low of this move was the top of the first fair value gap. That's funny. I like that. Hey, man, I like it. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Laugh, man. It works. Hey, Pineweb, can I ask you an honest question? Can I ask you like a real honest question? Like, no, like an honest question, you know? Just like, you know, human being to human being. If ICT worked so well, if it was such a good strategy, why is it that ICT himself doesn't make money trading? That's all. That's like my only question that I have for you. Why is it that the person who created the concepts can't actually make money? Is that because he chooses not to? Is that because Jesus told him not to make money? You know? What is, I'm just trying to figure out, like, you know? And also, if ICT really worked too, why would, like, you know, why would, like, the biggest traders in the world not use ICT? You know, I'm wondering. I'm just wondering, like real traders. I'm not talking about like prop firm traders, but like Wall Street, big time traders. Like if a fair value gap was like, if it worked and, you know, all these things worked, you know, I don't know, man. Someone said TJR kills it. Hey, another great deal. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question honestly? Are you fucking retarded? Are you? You know? That's, I wonder. Are you fucking retarded? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know, man. See, that's what, you know, it always, it kind of gives me like confidence, right? Like it gives me confidence that, cause like I know that no matter what, the best thing is that fucking people are retarded, right? People are fucking, they're retarded. And no matter what, like they're going to be retarded. So basically what that proves is like, I'm always going to be okay, right? Like I'm always going to make money because there's always going to be some fucking retard out there that's going to take the opposite side of my trade. So like it's like confidence, knowing that there is a whole fucking army of million fucking people who follow ICT who are fucking retarded, and I'm okay with that. I'm like, yes, thank God there are enough retards on this planet that I'm always gonna be rich. Like I will always be rich because of that fact, and that's a confidence. Like I wake up in the morning and I look at myself in the mirror and I think like, damn. You know, damn, Patrick, we're going to be good. We good. No matter what, we good. You know, we good. BR Golden Boy, not off trading. Hey, BR Golden Boy, I guarantee I've made more money trading than you've ever made your entire life. So, and guys, I have shown $1 million in payouts, right? I can't help it. I can't help it. You know, I can't help it that people watch my live stream and I make money from the live stream. I can't help that. Like, that's not like, you know, like I wish I could change that. I wish nobody watched me and I was broke and, you know, I had to rely only on my trading profits. Like, I wish, you know, like, I wish I could do that. But you know, I can't. You know, I can't do that. So, all right, let's see what's oh, fucking A, dude. Ethereum going to the goddamn grave right now. Well, there you go. Ethereum from 3,100 down there to the 2950s. I was short. I covered on this fucking pop back up. And look at that dump. You gotta love it. She's going lower, lower, lower. I mean, and I'm just being honest, right? Like, you said I must have hurt your feelings. Hey, BR Golden Boy, I don't, like, my feelings aren't hurt. I'm here making money. What are you doing? I'm here. Hey, Golden Boy, I'm here, right? Like, I'm here. Where are you at? My feelings are not hurt. I'm making money. See, that's what you don't understand. You watching the stream makes me money. You hating me makes me money. I don't lose either way. It's a win-win, right? It's just a win-win. It's just the more that you click, the more that you comment, the more that you're a part of it, I win. It's not like I'm not losing here, right? Like I have a Ferrari. I have a fucking Porsche. I have a McLaren. I have 2 boats. I have it all. So I don't, you know, the feelings are not hurt. I want to say thank you. You know, I think at the end of the day, I want to thank all the haters. I want to thank all the people out there who helped me. Right? You guys helped me get where I'm at. You're butthurt. Just say that. Again, I don't, how am I butthurt? I'm here. Where are you at? My butt feels great. Look at my butt. It's nice. My booty's nice. I'm good. I'm good. I'm a little wet. I'm a little wet right now, but that happens. You get a little wet making money sometimes. You get a little wet making money sometimes. It happens. It's, you know, part of it. Sometimes you get a little wet making money. Yeah. I mean, I could quit YouTube right now and walk away and still have made more money than 99% of the people on this planet. So be humble, bro. What God gives, he can also take. See, that's what you're wrong, unseen boys, is when you build everything, when you start at the bottom and you have nothing, there's nothing nobody can take. Nobody can take anything from me because, well, when I die, I won't have anything anyway. Right? I'll just turn to dust. Just gone. It's over. It don't matter. I came into this world with nothing, and I'm going to leave this world with nothing. So, cheers to that. Take it. Take everything. What will I do? Are you a believer, Patrick? I mean, I went to school. I went to Catholic school. I got my confirmation. I got communion. I've read a lot about God and religion and all that fun stuff over the years. And like I've said a million times, my relationship with God is not your relationship. My beliefs are not your beliefs. So I'm never going to try to push my beliefs on you. And I hope that you never push your beliefs on me. So let's go. Terry trades $99. I'm rich now. God, here we go. Here come all the Jesus people in the chat who want to tell me I need to meet Jesus. Guys, just keep your just don't waste your time. You know, hey, believe what you want, do what you want, but don't try to push your beliefs on anyone else. That's fine, right? Like that should be like God, you know, if God truly wants somebody to be blessed and to live a certain life, that's fine. Like do that. But don't sit here and try to preach to me about what I should do and how I should live and what I should say. You know, just let it be, man. I've been to church thousands of times. You know, I went to Catholic school. We went to church 3 days a week. Right? I know. I've done all the prayers. I've sing all the fucking songs. So I'm going to live my life exactly how I'm going to live it. So that's it. I mean, I think that most organized religions are a scam, right? You go to church and all they do is ask you for money the whole time. Hey, don't forget about donating. Donate to the church. You know, make sure you donate. Hey, donate. The best part is you can't even go to church anymore without having to donate. They're gonna fucking trap you. They're gonna see you and be like, hey, did you donate? How much money did you donate? And when you come to the BDH live stream, what do I ask for? A like. That's all I ask for. I don't ask for your money. I don't tell you to give me money. I don't tell you to donate. I don't say, please guys, please donate. I need to buy a Ferrari. If you're not baptized, they'll still take your donation. Fuck yeah, they will. They don't give a fuck. Pokemonster said he pretends to put money in the basket, but really just reaching in for some. That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up. It's not about church. It's about your relationship with God. Yeah, Yada, you worry about your relationship with God, and I'll worry about my relationship with God. You know what I mean? That's the point. The whole point here is that you worry about your relationship with God, and I'm going to worry about my relationship with God. You know, that's what I think is the best way to go about it. You know? Don't try to tell me how to live my life, and I won't tell you how to live your life. Let's talk about those flags. Well, like I said, you know, once we start getting down into here, you got to be careful taking those flag setups, because then it just comes into a big old chop zone. So We're right in the middle of the 15-minute range. Good time to just be, you know, be patient. Someone said might be a long here. It might be, but I mean, the trend is down. I don't know. Patrick, can you please show your VWAP settings? Sure. Since you said please. Here's my VWAP settings. Can you see it? I got the anchor period as session. I got the source as high, low, plus close /3. Which I don't really know why I have that, to be honest. But it's just what I have. Someone goes, try to short the market as support as NVIDIA results leaked already as Google is +4 and NVIDIA is +2. That way the Indian market rises 800 and live futures is 300. Tomorrow, NVIDIA +10%. You came up, like, that's your whole theory, right? Your brain just, that's what you came up with. That's interesting. I like that. And that's impressive. That's impressive thought process. I guarantee you that the NVIDIA earnings have not leaked yet. Patrick, at what age did you make your first $1 million? Like in 1 year or like total? Like in a total or like in a day or like a month? I mean, I made $1 million before I was 30. I was filming full time, making $200,000, $300,000 a year. But my first $1 million year would have been probably 2022, I guess, or maybe 2023. Yeah, 2023 probably like my first $1 million year. Just with trading. No, I don't make money trading. What do I think about trading in December? I love it. Fuck yeah, man. Santa Claus rally, baby. Gonna get crazy. Gonna get wild. Patrick, do you trade when you're not on the stream? Yes. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of holding up there. I was looking at maybe getting short on Ethereum here on warbucksbtc.com, but I don't know. I mean, we broke that key level here. What do you think? You think Ethereum keeps going down, down, down? Hard to say. Hard to say. Dude, this music just been like, I don't even know what that's been going. Just been listening to some crazy music. Ugh. The funny thing is bear flags and bull flags, man. They work on crypto just as much as they work on everything else. I would say that maybe crypto is just a little bit more exaggerated. Is maybe like the thing to think about. You get more traps. Like the crypto loves to like trap. Like this right here earlier, like look at that. They just basically like pop it back up into this area of resistance, get denied, and then dump it all the way back down. So it's interesting. Been messing around. I used to trade Bitcoin and crypto a lot back in the day. It was always a real pain in the ass because you had to put real money into it, you know, like into a Coinbase account or whatever it was, and you had to deal with all that. But the cool thing now, obviously, with Warbucks is you can start trading crypto for as little as $45 for the instant funded account. So that's cool. We like it. We got some people on the leaderboard making some money. This guy right here, he's up 11% in his $5,000 account. We got Lucas up 10%. Road Dog up 8%. I'm only up 6%. I need to make more money. What's funny is like the guys that are up in they have the $5,000 accounts. They're crushing it because you know you have to trade very. You got to be on it. You got to know what you're doing. So we're making just a little bit of money. Top 10 right now on warbucksbtc.com. And the NASDAQ just kind of holding up there. Which way does she go next? The $1 million question. If I was looking to get short here on the NASDAQ, well, I might have gotten short already there, I guess, would have been the play, but going into that 12 o'clock hour here, if they lose that 660s, there's a pivot point there, 640s, and then yesterday's close is all the way down there at the 590s. If we look on the 15-minute chart, pretty much had that big squeeze right back up 25,000 and then dumped it right back down. So quite the day of volatility, right? The 15-minute range here today. Little recap. We had the 15-minute range breakout. You get about 200 points to the upside. We get denied up here. We pulled right back into the 15-minute range. So now the question is, do we go lower or do we just get stuck here all day? I think it really depends on NVIDIA. We got Trump talking later as well. Some stuff about some Saudi Arabia investment stuff. I don't fucking know. But yeah. It's happening. You got red candles down here so far. Just very red. Which is funny because look, you had green on the 15-minute chart and then red. Red. Green, red. What a time to be alive. You told D-Money to be here at 12? Where the fuck's he at? Yeah, well, fucking 10 minutes early is on time. 10 minutes fucking being on time is late. You hear that, chat? Yeah. If someone tells you to be somewhere at 12, you get there at 11:50. That's how I live my life. I never show up late. D-Money is going live at 1:30. Yeah, I think it's probably going to end up just chopping here for a while, so. Apex website seems to still be having some issues with Cloudflare. they launched that big sale and then fucking all this problem started happening. What the fuck, man? Cloudflare. Fucking Cloudflare, man. Watching. Just kind of hold. Yeah, I mean, I would be a little hesitant to want to short right here, right? Because really, what we want to be looking for, if we're shorting, we want to be looking for what? We want to be looking for a bear flag. And what does a bear flag look like? A bear flag should be like this, right? It should come down. Price action should consolidate. It should push up, and then it should break that and go lower. Whereas if you look at this right now, it came down, but now it's just flat. So for me, I'd really want like to maybe push back up here, and then we go lower. Could it go lower here? Yeah, it could. You know, it can always go lower. But just seeing the difference, right? Like you had this bear flag, you had this bear flag. Trying to see if we had like a good bear flag at the top here. We didn't really. It kind of just fucking dumped. I mean, I guess 1 minute chart had a little bit of had that little bear flag there below that EMA kind of push back up. So that's what we want to look for, right? We want to look for the bear flag going back up, looking for our opportunity to get short, and what we're really looking for is the idea like, hey, if this is going to push back up, okay, it pushes back up, but then it's like we want to kind of be looking for that resistance, right? It's pushing back up, and then it's dumping off of that resistance. So earlier, when I was looking for that short off the VWAP kind of area, I'm like, okay, I want this bear flag. There's our bear flag. There's our resistance, and then there's our dump. That was the trade we're looking for. We want to basically be shorting into that resistance on the pushback up, and then the dump after that, right? We don't want to go short. I would say where you don't want to short is like this, right? The market pushes up, and then what's it do? It pulls back. So if this is a bull flag, do you want to short here? No. You want to be long here with that support and then the push higher. Same thing right here. Another kind of bull flag, the breakout. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for bull flags. This is how a bull flag looks. Little consolidation, and then the move higher. That's my, my little piece of advice. I might not know a lot of stuff about a lot of stuff, but I do know that bear flags and bull flags. Are those wedges or flags? I mean, I don't really give a fuck if they're wedges or they're flags or whatever the fuck they are, to be honest. That is what it is. So I'm wondering if we'll just chop around until Nvidia earnings. Well, I mean, we're at the first fair value gap, so I think we could go lower. Make that a reel. I'm not going to make it a reel because I want you guys to know, right? Everyone in the chat, if you're still watching, now you got all the secrets. Y'all got all the secrets. Consistent trader. I've secured an $18,000 payout this month. Can I come to the BDH? No. Make it $180,000 and then you can come to the BDH. I was joking about the fair value gap, by the way, guys, because the guy earlier said that we touched the fair value gap. That's why I made a joke about it. The same guy that was asking about the chop. So that's why I'm not actually serious. I was just, making a little joke. How much did D-Money make? I don't know, man. He'll be here later on. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button. We got 1,300 likes here on the stream. We get a little bit more. Make a little bit more. PW on the Warbucks. Instant funded account of $100,000. When do you qualify for a payout? There is no payout like target. right? There really isn't. All you need to do is make money. Don't make more than 33%. What up, dude? On the stream yesterday, blaming me for his fucking how you know I get him set up his shit. Hey, get over there and get your shit set up so I don't have to listen talking about how I fucked up your shit. Guy don't know how to use the internet. Blaming me. Oh, literally every day. Everyone in the chat like, yeah, he did it on purpose. Man, killing me. What was the problem? I know, but they think you're serious. They all be like, everyone like, yeah, Patrick fucked up your shit. That was exactly the plan that we had. To have your Internet Explorer, you log in through TradingView. I mean, I have no idea why your settings aren't. That's your account, bro.
But it's like, what I might have to do is log into Chrome on TradingView.
Yeah, but you're in it. No, why would you?
It didn't save my. All right, let me log out.
Well, make sure you save it.
It's already.
All right. Yeah, try it. Just log out there and try it again. I mean, you could do it on Chrome either way, because I don't use the. I use the desktop app. D-Money got that big white screen over there. This guy, dude, getting a tan. Dude, it looks so crazy on my camera on this looking over there because it's just blasting white. If you turned it yellow, they'd think it was a red light camera or something. All right, there's your password for the internet to see. Nice. Just kidding, they can't see it. It worked?
Like, I have no idea how it automatically, like, it started, because it was never doing this before. All right, so the other thing I had was I didn't want to mess up your setting in here.
Yeah.
So, because all your account stuff is here. So
yeah.
We're going to be under the same, all of our stuff is going to be here, right?
Yeah, we'll just log in your account, not my account.
I know. but the whole black screen versus the white screen.
Yeah, but as long as you don't log into mine, we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, you just log. No, I figured that out. Basically, as long as you don't touch mine, I won't touch yours. Yeah, yours is 60, mine's 70 on Lucid.
Yeah, something's been happening.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. So it's like, I was like, I didn't want to mess up your thing.
Yeah, no, you're good. Try it now. If you log in on it should be 60 for Lucid. Yeah. What size monitor is that? It's fucking 55 inches, boys. PW said that D-Money's gonna get a tan. He is. He's gonna get real dark over that fucking screen, blasting him with UV rays. I gotta get him some sunglasses. He's gonna file a workers' claim comp saying he's blinded. He's gonna be like, hit up OSHA, be like, hey, I work in this hostile environment. They got a big white screen. Hostile conditions. Yeah. Yeah, I see people all be like, man, Patrick he made me use a white screen. He's racist. I swear. D-Money picked the white screen. I got a black screen. I'm like, I am anti-white screen. I'm racist towards the white screens. He's staring at the sun over there. I agree. You're gonna need some sunglasses. Yeah, you gotta throw on a welder's helmet to see D-Money's charts, man. That's a big ass white screen. The funny part is, like, you know, like from over here, you can't even see the candle, so it's just a big white fucking blur. Oh man. All right, so the NASDAQ pushing back up here now. This is what I was afraid of. Like I said, just not getting short when the market's basically going sideways. There, I gotta, you gotta be like, hey, we haven't had any kind of retest lately, so be careful. And we'll see what happens. What screens do I use? So these are 32-inch 4K. They're ultra fine. So they're really high quality. They're vertical. I have 2 screens vertical, and that allows me to have basically, I got the ES up top here. I've got the NASDAQ. I've got another chart down here. I've got like Twitter and all that shit. I've got another stuff here, and then I've got OBS down there. So this is the kind of the new setup that we have right now. It's like when an iPhone's taking a selfie at night. You good? Oh, now you good. This guy, man, trying to throw me under the bus yesterday. People on Twitter are like, yeah, Patrick tried to fuck up D-Money because he lost money. Patrick lost money, so he wanted to make sure D-Money lost money. I'm like, what are you talking about?
But I don't know how this, like, all this is the session, like the sessions, because if I take that off, it goes away. But I gotta edit it. I gotta figure out how to take off the gray box. But I didn't want to jack up your stuff, like, for today, because I'm like, man, if you come in today and it's gonna be white.
Oh, no, I came in today and this is all turned off. And I was like, are you fucking kidding me? So I had to go reset everything and turn it all back on. And that wasn't you. No, it was the IT guys.
Well, they were here yesterday, right, Ginger?
Yeah.
So the stream yesterday, like, it cut up, it, like...
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, and then I think it took a while to kind of pop back in, and then it got focused.
Yeah.
Something was, it was kind of weird, man.
Yeah, I think there was something with the internet or something going on tomorrow.
So I was, all right. So yeah, I'm good. I mean, we back. Yeah, because the disclaimer was there, the intro was there. That was fine. The chat was there. That's fine. I don't think I need these banners, but I didn't want to delete it because I think it's your stuff. So I didn't want to. Like the Trader Day banner.
Yeah. We're gonna get new stuff.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, there should be new stuff popping up there now. Yeah.
Alright, so
Oh, look at that dump. Oh my god. Well, that was the perfect example of a little bear flag kind of playing out there, a little pump back up. Wow. So there's the 720 push back up, and then there's that rejection going back down now. So there she goes. Wow. That's almost 100 points now. 100 points, dumping it back down. Fucking A. Fucking D-Money was distracting me. Fucking he's over there he don't want me to make no more money, he said. He's like, nah, Patrick, help me with my screen. Help me set up my screen, Patrick. Don't put no more trades on. Don't put no more trades on. Help me, help me, help me. Boo-doo-doo. Yeah, Nvidia kind of dumping back over there now. Look at fucking NASDAQ going. She's going. She going. She gone. Absolutely gone. We got next week. We got Thanksgiving next week. Hopefully y'all got some big plans with the fam. I'm just out. I'm going to try to make a little bit of money. Thanksgiving week. Try to make a little bit of money this week. Trade day, 30% off right now. They got a couple different offerings going on. If you're interested, you can trade up to 6 accounts with them currently. So check them out. Check them out. Are we getting FOMC minutes today? Yeah, huh? Should be some fun for the D-Money show. Power hour, baby. Fucking 5-minute range this morning. Printed like 300 fucking points. Dude. You let me know next time you gotta go to daycare, and I'll trade that day because that's the day. Look at that, from 650, dude. That's 300 points, 300 points on the 5. There was no pullback either. Fucking crazy. That shit's crazy. That shit's crazy. Yeah, get that white screen over there all set up. I don't want to hear no excuses today about how, oh, Patrick changed my settings. I can't trade today. Changing my settings. Changing my settings, man. Can't believe it. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta mess with that with the. For what? Yeah, kinda. I think that computer it updated or whatever the other night, and that's why it was all fucked up in the morning or on Tuesday morning or whatever. Oh fuck. Yeah. Fucking Apex is still down. Crazy. What they say? Yeah, I mean, they definitely have issues. Update, we are currently experiencing some ongoing issues after yesterday's Cloudflare related outage. Our team is monitoring closely and will update you the moment the site is fully back online. Too many people trying to buy those accounts. 80% off, $40 fucking activation fee. Everyone's rushing like crackheads trying to get fucking accounts. All right, well, I think I'm going to walk away, go eat some lunch, and D-Money will be back here live at 1:30 p.m. Eastern for the D-Money Show. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know. All right, fuck it. It's like See, like, it gets to a point where you just gotta, like, walk away. Because, like, now I'm not even really focused. Oh, God, now there's pouring. I just spilt my water. Things are getting crazy. It gets to a point where you just gotta walk away. Because it's like, now it's like, okay, do I short right here at 620s, try to get that move through the 600s next? I mean, this would have really been the opportunity to get short up here and then kind of be in this trade now. So, it's a good time. Yeah, I gotta walk away. It's hard because the longer that I sit here, the more I just want to like keep trading, and get to the point where I just blow up my account. Hey, been there, done that enough times to know that, hey, it ain't a good strategy. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's go. We'll see you guys later on. Trade days popping off right now. Take profit trader, Apex. Well, Apex is coming back online at some point, and obviously Warbucks, BTC. The biggest, the large. Oh my God, bro, are you what? Wow. Look at fucking Ethereum now, dude. I got short last night on Ethereum. I woke up this morning. I was up $100 fucking, per fucking coin at one point, and then it went all the way back up, pretty much where my fucking entry was. And then this morning it started drifting back down. I got out for like a 40 points. And now it's like 200 points back down. Just classic. Like fucking assholes. They bounced it last night while I'm sleeping, get it all the way back up to where my entry is. And then I put my stop loss like in the profit for 20, 30 points. It stops me out and then just fucking absolutely gets destroyed and dumped. So you gotta love that. You just gotta fucking love it. Life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. That 590 level is pretty much, the bottom of the opening range there on the NASDAQ, 15-minute opening range is 570s. Looks like we're heading that way. Fuck, I can't believe that. What a move. Either way, what a move. What's crazy too is, man, like when the market's clean, it really, like, in hindsight, you look at it, you're like, oh fuck, I could have got long on the cross on the EMA at open, and then I could have got out at the cross of the EMA at the top. I could have rode it all the way back down, but it's easy in hindsight. Fuck, look at this chart in hindsight, you'd be, oh man, I would have made so much fucking money. I would have got long, I would have got short, I would have got, it's easy to look at it in hindsight and think about all the things you could have done. So there it is. Always easy in hindsight. That's true. That is very true. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out. What are we at? We're at 1,400. See, dude, I can't. D-Money gets 3,000 likes. I get 1,400. This is some real bullshit. This shit is rigged. He's paying for likes. I'm telling you. D-Money he's got bots. He got bots. He's over there paying. He's like, I'll give you $1 per like. Yeah, see? He's rigging this stuff, man. All right, D-Money will be live in an hour. So if you guys enjoy the stream, tune back, get back here in an hour. And, yeah. What a time to be alive. Peace to the middle.